Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. If you were here yesterday, thanks for coming back. If you weren't, and this is your first time here, welcome. This is our Streams with Mission Unstoppable. It's a TV show that's on Saturday mornings. It's hosted by our fearless leader, Miranda Cosgrove. It's a show about STEM and getting young girls excited about STEM careers. And our job here is to show how cool and how many awesome jobs there are in gaming that are STEM related. Because there's so much STEM that goes into making a video game, which is so cool. Before we get started, I want to let you know, in case you haven't noticed, our overlay is a little bit different because our friends at Lenovo have sponsored our streams this week for Video Games Week, which is so cool. And I have a question for you. Do you like free stuff? If so, listen up. Does your gaming system need a new look and faster speed? It's time to join the Legion gaming community from our sponsor, Lenovo, and enter for a chance to win stylish and savage Lenovo Legion gaming PCs and accessories and dominate your competitors with our most powerful and sophisticated devices ever. Stick around the Legion gaming community and get original content, expert advice, and even more tantalizing rewards. It's all free and all in one place. Equip yourself for domination by joining the Legion gaming community today and find contest rules at gaming.lenovo.com. Account sign up with Lenovo required to enter contest. How cool is that? Everybody loves free stuff. Okay, today, our guest started out as a graphic designer, but realized that wasn't the world for her. She trusted her gut, followed her passion, and moved into coding and web development. And guess what? She is thriving. You know her on Twitch as Coder Girl Chan. She's joining us today to talk about her life as a coder, and we're going back to our co-op farm we started on our last co-stream all the way from Toronto, Canada. Please welcome our guest, Chanel Francis.
Hey, how's it going?
Amazing. Everybody, if you are not already, please go follow Chanel's channel.
I am Chanel now. It's
Chanel's
weird saying Chanel channel.
Please go follow Chanel's channel. We put it up. It's also in the chat. She plays lots of awesome games, a lot of Among Us, a lot of... every time I try to remember this game, I always forget. Give me a hint. It's like
Which one? Dead by Daylight?
Dead by Daylight.
I've been playing a lot less of that lately.
Oh, you have?
I've been playing a lot of Knockout City lately, which is like a dodgeball game. Yeah, that one's really fun.
That sounds really fun, actually.
It's like a extreme dodgeball game.
Okay.
But it's really fun.
I'm going to have to check it out. I haven't played that yet. Sounds super fun.
Yeah.
Also, yesterday was your birthday?
Yesterday was my birthday. Yes! It's broken, but I have a little birthday hat next to me.
I love
it's actually
it.
in French, because when you live in Canada,
do you speak French?
French things. I don't. They teach you, but I can't retain things sometimes. I can
French
retain
is hard.
Programming languages.
French
Other
is hard.
languages. Thank you.
Well,
that was
thank you so much for being here. Yes, I jumped into your stream yesterday for a little while to watch. I wanted to play Mario Kart with you so bad, but
next time.
I left my Switch here at work. I didn't have it at home, so I couldn't play it. And
no worries.
Then I wanted to play Jackbox, but I didn't want to walk over to get my laptop to watch the stream and play Jackbox. So I just watched everyone have fun around me, basically.
As we played it. Yeah, you're welcome to jump in anytime. And anyone who's watching, we do co-op games once in a while, I love playing with you. It's such a fun time.
It was such a fun stream. You honestly... Yeah. I jumped back in at the perfect time too. You were wearing your shark hat. You were just thriving and partying. It was amazing. Okay,
It was a good time. We got to celebrate.
totally was. Also,
Yeah.
so we have our trailer that plays like when you go to our page, and you're in it because you said something amazing. You're like, it's 2021, be who you want to be. And we were like, this is
Oh,
so perfect. So we put you in
that's
our
so
little
cute. I'll
channel
have to
trailer
check it
because
out. Thank
it was
you.
amazing. Um, okay,
It's facts.
it is. It is. Okay. Before we get started, totally forgot to do this little housekeeping stuff. So let me just do it quickly. Look at these cute STEM bestie hats that we made
Oh my god.
for for our show STEM Besties,
Come on.
which is a show that we do on Wednesdays. It says Mission Unstoppable on the back. It's a show
Oh,
where we invite, and you're welcome to come anytime you want, Chanel. But basically,
yeah,
what we do
listen.
is this is kind of like where we get to have fun and we share the craziest STEM science news or facts that we can find. For instance, one
Oh,
time we talked about farting trees. If you don't know what that is, it's a real thing. It is affecting our planet. So go ahead and Google it. We've talked about immortal jellyfish. We've
oh my
talked about, which is
goodness.
like jellyfish that basically Benjamin Button themselves. They regenerate. They basically, if you kill them, they like turn all the way back to a polyp, which is like how they start life, and then they
Wow.
just regenerate and start the life cycle all over again. Nature and
Whoa.
science is crazy. So
Um,
that's the show
have
that we
have
do.
you talked about butt breathing turtles though? Thank you, Frozen
No,
2, for that knowledge. It's a
no.
thing.
See, and
They're going extinct. Save them.
this is the type of stuff that we cover
Yes.
on our show, STEM Besties. So we have that hat.
Love it.
Anytime you want to come on that show, you're more than welcome. We would love to have
Yeah,
you.
hit me
It's
up.
lots of fun.
Let's chat.
Amazing. We got
Awesome.
stickers.
Awesome.
Anybody who's in the chat, we're going to pick random people. We're gifting subs. We're going to gift subs today. And we're also going to
Woo!
send fun stickers. Here's like a STEM Bestie sticker. We have these Miranda STEM Science stickers.
Oh,
We have a
I have
magnet.
those magnets on my fridge.
Yay! We have Chic and STEM
Yes.
stickers. This is for my show,
Woohoo!
Beyond the Game, the show that we're on right now, and just more
Heck
Miranda
yeah.
stickers. So if you want any of this stuff, just comment and we'll pick a couple people, send it. Like I said, we're gifting subs. Everyone chat. We'll give you something. Okay,
Hang out. Stick
so
around.
I think we should just start playing and then I'll just ask you questions
Yes.
as we play. Okay,
Yes. Sounds good to me.
I gotta start my Stardew Valley soundtrack
Oh yeah.
because for some
To
reason I
find
can't
some
get the
like
game to play the audio. Okay,
yeah, some Stardew lo-fi.
yes. Okay, let's start. Perfect. We
Let's
started at
do
a
it.
perfect
I don't
time
even know
because
where
we're
we
like
left last
in
time.
bed and we're really ready to go.
Yeah, we sleeping.
Yeah.
Slurpee has made it to bed. I'm so happy to hear.
I made it
Check
through
the
the night.
weather. Gonna be yes.
Okay. For those, I guess because I know we have some of your followers and are here, but for people who are not following you, why don't you maybe tell everybody a little about yourself and what you
Yeah.
do? And yeah.
Okay, sure. Yeah, no problem. So, uh, my name's Chanel again. Chanel. You can visit my channel, Chanel channel. People call me Channel sometimes, which is so funny. But yeah, I'm on Twitch. I do a lot of varieties of games. So, mentioned it already. Some, I'll do anything from like Dead by Daylight to Stardew Valley. Fun things like that. And I'll have like community nights once in a while where we'll play Jackbox, Bingo, which is my favorite game.
I had no idea.
Enjoy that bingo time. Yeah, bingo's great. Just like fun things. I like to have fun, I don't like to I feel like with the pandemic and all that kind of coming around, I've taken things less seriously,
Yeah.
if that makes sense.
You need a
So,
break.
that's why I started the channel, just take things less seriously, and just have fun, because if anything, if we learned anything from the pandemic, that is, you never know when you lose some time, right? So,
Yeah.
let's have fun. Um, I am a front end web developer. Front end being, I kind of do I do a lot of websites. So, how they look, how they the basic functionality. I work with that. So
I
I've
think
been
it'd be
doing that
good
for about
to
6 years.
explain like what's the difference between
Yeah,
a
sure.
front end
I can do,
and a back end.
yeah, for sure. So front end is more like I was explaining, it's like, how do you explain? It's like when you go to a website and you see like how the website looks, like the general structure, like the interactivity, that's more of the front end, like the functionality of how things go. Back end is more like, it'd be things like databases or like services that the front end needs, in order to like function, whether it be like, oh, I need to get data from something else, or I need to run stuff for the front end, like you would do that in the back end. And then there's a term called full stack, and full stack is more like, you do both. So those are like crazy unicorns who are just like really good at both, those types of things, right? So, but yeah, so I do front end, and it was a really good bridge between being a, designer and being a front end dev, because when you're a designer, you're doing a lot of design stuff, like,
Mm-hmm.
right? So when you go to front end, you're taking those designs and like making them real. So it was a really nice bridge.
Does that have anything? Because obviously, like UX designers, it's like pretty
Yeah,
similar to, or is that the same thing? Because you're
you,
dealing with the
yeah, for
design
like
of,
design.
yeah,
Yeah, for sure. Like, so with UX, so UX being user experience, there's kind of, so when I was in school, I always had a really hard time with this term, because I was like, what's UX and UI? Like, is it
yeah,
not the same? So UX is more like, there's more of a thought process, when you're kind of designing things. A lot of the times they don't really actually do, like, we call it like the hi-fi things. So they're like doing less of the actual like, designy parts of it. They're doing more of the layout. So they're putting a lot of thought into how they would lay out a page, right? So they'd
mm-hmm.
be like, does it make sense to put this button here? Or, if someone's scrolling through their phone, would they want that
Right,
there? So they think about the thought process and the psychology behind how someone is going through a page, right? Whereas
right.
like stuff like UI, a UI person would be more like, I'm designing the page and I'm skinning it and I'm making it look nice and things like that. So, but a lot of times people just do both
Mm-hmm.
together. But I've worked at places where we've had two separate, things for it, because it's like very important to have good UX on a
Right.
website.
So you're
Yeah.
basically like, you make everyone's dreams happen
Yeah.
because you're like, oh, this is what
Yeah,
you
the
want?
designer will
Yeah,
come
I'll
to
do
me.
it.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So that's why I think that's why I switched over, with design. Like, I did enjoy design, but the thought process of being a designer, their brains, like, they're just so good at like coming up with, good design.
Yeah.
Right. And for me, it took me a really long time to just like figure out like what was good, or what I thought was good as a designer. Um, but I really was just like, what I really loved was just like taking their design and making it like happen, and chatting with them about like, hey, let's make some cool stuff on the page
Yeah.
happen, right? So, I love that part. Like, if we'll talk about things like, oh, when this hovers, do we want any cool animations to happen? Like,
Yeah.
they'll be like, yeah, we want this to spin. Like, they'll do things like that. So I love it.
It's so nice. Like it sounds like you love what you do, which is,
Oh yeah,
I feel like
absolutely.
it's pretty rare sometimes. Like
Yeah, no.
being in a creative field, sometimes it's hard to be able to find something that you can actually do as a job that you actually enjoy doing.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think what I really love, and I think this is why I kind of, when I was making the decision about whether I wanted to go back to school or not, because it was a big decision, right? Like I had a
Mm-hmm.
full-time job. I had to basically quit my job to pursue another career.
Yeah.
And I had no idea if I'd be good at it or not. But when I was thinking about it, it was, you know, I want something a little bit more challenging. Like I know I can, do something way more challenging. And I wanted to try that out. So, when I looked into this, I was like, this is definitely going to be challenging because it's nothing I've ever done before, but it looks like I need some design chops. So, it's
Yeah.
helpful. Um, but yeah, it just, when you get to code something and then you see it like come to life, whether it's like live or just like something that you get working, um it's really awesome. And actually I just recently switched jobs. Like I'm at a new place and it's something completely new, um some new stuff that I've never done before, and it's just so I'm getting that like nice feels again from
Yeah.
doing something new, and like accomplishing things and getting to see that, so it's really cool.
So from the last time that we spoke, now you're at a new
Mhm.
place now?
Yeah, so I'm moving up. I'm a senior dev now, senior
Awesome.
developer.
Hold on, hold on,
Yeah,
hold on.
thank you. Yes, so I'm a senior developer now, which is like so crazy.
That's
Uh,
awesome.
and
Congratulations.
yeah, yeah, and for anyone out there who's like, "Oh my gosh, like so scary." I was scared for sure. But now I'm like getting my bearings, and I think the biggest thing for for anyone who's like joining a new career, any career in general, is self-worth seems to be like such a hard thing. Like sitting down and being
Yeah.
like, am I like good enough to do this thing, right? And when I was like contemplating whether I wanted to leave because I was so comfortable, I was like, you know what, the person believed in me when they offered me this, so obviously like I'm worth it. So making that step was really really hard, and then when I
Yeah.
got there it was really really hard to like get that imposter syndrome out of the way, for sure. And
Yeah.
now I'm doing it and I'm having such a blast learning all these new things, and being there. So yeah, so for everyone out there who's just like questioning it, especially in like STEM fields, like just go for it. They hired you for a reason, right?
Exactly. And one of the really interesting things that I've talked to so many different women in these STEM fields, and you know, astrophysicists, like women who build quantum computers, just like the craziest STEM
Yeah,
jobs, like literal rocket scientists, like you know, they like there's kind of this misconception that you have to be like a genius. You have to be like perfect in math, perfect in English, just like
yes.
perfect in science and all these things. And it's like what I found out is like, oh, some of them are bad at math. Or like math
Oh
wasn't their
yeah,
favorite
absolutely.
subject, or like science, you know, you don't, it's everybody's path is different, but doesn't mean just because you can't, like, maybe you don't like one subject or there's something that you're not, fully understanding, like, it doesn't mean that you can't be these things. And everybody has a different
Exactly.
path. Like now you have a STEM career and you're in a STEM
Exactly.
field, and it wasn't maybe like your original path, but now like you do have it and
Exactly.
you're killing it.
Exactly. No, I would say I was like okay at math or whatever. Well, I was pretty good at math, but what I will say is it didn't matter.
Yeah.
It does not matter. Some of the best developers that I know are awful at math, absolutely horrendous at math, and they're killing it. So like, it's a total misconception,
Yeah,
100%.
for sure. I'm going to sleep. You can go to sleep whenever you feel like it, but I ran out of energy.
No, let's go sleep so that you can come back.
Okay. I need to take a water break.
Ooh, I'm in your bed apparently. Oops.
What?
Yeah, why lets two people sleep in the same bed? I didn't even see you.
I had no idea that was possible. That's funny.
Oh man.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, no, totally. I totally feel that. Like, but it took a long time to just like, because I've been a dev what I say 6 years now, um, since 20, actually 5 years, um, and it's just like you still feel that even after all that time, and even though you've done things so many times
Yeah.
too, but you know, just believe in yourself, you know. You'll be fine.
Yeah. A lot of times it just really takes a second to just like think about where you are. Because I suffer from the
Yes.
same thing. Like,
Yeah.
there are times when I'm just like super overwhelmed and I'm like, can I do this? Like, it just, I think everybody does it. And then I have to sit down and be like, wait, you get to literally get young girls inspired to join STEM.
Exactly.
You get to go on Twitch and play video games. Like,
What a life.
it's, I have to just sit down and think about that and be like, hey, you're not sucking.
Yeah. No, not one bit. Not one bit. I love it. I love that. Yeah, exactly. And I feel like that's a lot of people. And I feel like no matter how many times people say it, like, you know, people are still going to feel that way. And that's totally okay.
Yeah.
That's totally fine. Like, we're all humans, right? Like, it's going to happen.
Yeah.
But,
And that's why
just,
I
just
love,
know it will
yeah.
go away.
And that's why I like the community that we've kind of built, like with Mission Unstoppable and STEM and
Yeah.
stuff. Like, you know, they become friends with each other. They all support each other.
Oh, I love that.
It's really nice to just see that community grow and you know, young girls see it and they're like, oh, I want to be this. It's just like, that's like the best feeling, honestly.
That's really cute. I love it. Yo, I'm going to the mines. Wait, can we go to the mines?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to the mines.
Do I have enough energy? Hold on. I'll stop trying to cut that. Let me empty my pockets.
Yeah, I have a geode, so I'm gonna run to the blacksmith first.
Okay. I think I left one in the other
Oh snap!
thing. Yeah, okay, I have one. Okay.
Get our geodes
I
cracked
miss
right open.
my farm because I have a horse and I can move a lot faster.
Yeah, the horse really made. I was like, why am I moving so slow? Oh, I've had a
Ugh.
horse this whole time.
Yeah.
What's your horse's name on your farm?
Oh, I don't know. I love the names that it just chooses for you. So it's
Yeah.
probably something like Cheapy or something, you know?
Yeah. I feel like one of my animals' name is that.
Yeah.
Mine is Epona, like the horse
Oh,
from Zelda.
cute. Yes.
Yeah.
That's a great
Oh,
name.
I'm given an artifact.
Making my way.
Hello, Gunther.
Making my way.
Oh my gosh, I love Linus. I'm a Linus stan.
He is so cute. Agree.
I know. I love how your game shows like so much of the map.
Oh, wait. Did you say you were going to the mines?
I'm gonna go to the mines.
Oh, okay. I just got here. I
I'm
think
on my way. I made it.
good thing
made a
I did
pit
it because
stop.
it seems like we have to talk to him first. Because I think this
Made
is the
it
first time we've
here.
ever been to the mines in this one.
I don't think we've been. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
We have a pickaxe, but yeah, he's gonna give you a sword. Yes. Fight all the monsters. Oh, Taja, thank you. I'm like, I finally opened up the chat. Oh, and Jay, hello. Oh. I did not get it. Okay. I'm just giving Gunther. I found like some gem.
Oh, okay. I
So
have one,
I have given it.
but I didn't go over there. I went the wrong way.
It's okay. You can get it later. Oh my gosh, look. So because you can see the whole game, you see on the right hand side, you see that dwarf.
Yeah. Do you know what to
so you
give
can't
him?
get there yet.
Because I've given
So
him literally
basically-
so many things. And like, I feel like I've never gotten anything out of it.
I haven't. I just started talking to him because I finally got the last scroll,
Oh. Okay.
and so I haven't done anything with him yet. But I guess I should try to give him more things.
Yeah. I have
I
to.
gotta look it up.
I have to use the wiki cheat thing to know
Yeah,
what
me
to give
too.
him.
I gotta check out the wiki for sure.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm in the mines. I'm gonna start getting us.
Yeah, I'm
things,
on
I
my way.
guess.
I wonder if we're on the. It should meet us up if we're on the same floor.
Does it? You should
Oh,
be
now I
getting
have
a
to talk to
sword
him.
too, right? Not just me.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
talking to him right now.
Okay.
Oh,
Good.
I can skip. Perf. Ooh, here I go. Level 1.
Okay, I'm on 2.
They actually, I don't know if you saw, but there's like, oh no, I think you liked it, but there's like they did like an esports.
The competition?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, shoot.
Like,
yeah,
my
I
time
saw
has
that.
come.
But I don't think I'm like, because, you know, I like to think my farm is good and I'm pretty good, but then you go and you see everybody else's and they're just like...
I know. My farm will never compare to some farms. There's this one streamer that I follow. His name's Delphron. He's like a VTuber, and his farm, he has everything too. He has like, I don't know if he got dinosaurs, but he has like ostriches and all this stuff, and everything is so beautiful. Even the sunflowers and the honey, like.
And then there's people that have like the giant fruit and vegetables.
Oh, I've had those before, actually.
Oh, you have? I've always wanted to actually do it, and then I forget once I like plant everything. I'm like, oh, I didn't plant them in the right spots.
Yeah, you do, what's that called? You just have to plant 9 of them all together. But it's only certain fruit and vegetables. So like pumpkins, melons. I forget what the other one is. Oh, there you are. Get that slime. I don't think we can we kill this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. The pink one's the one we can't kill.
It looks like I'm about to run out of energy though.
No. And the spa's not open yet. Sad times. There we go.
This might be the max of what I can... Well, maybe if we go down
we'll
one
try
more.
One more level. Yeah. What? A ladder already?
Okay, let's go down. Yes,
I was like,
okay.
Let's take advantage of this.
Great. All right, I'm going to go back.
No worries. 0. Yeah, I'm going to go back and fish so we can get some money, so we can get a Wait. Do I have a backpack yet? No. Okay.
I don't think we do. No, because there's only one
yet.
row. Oh, I forgot that bridge.
Subs going out.
I'm so used to mine that I'm like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna go on the bridge. I'm gonna go get all things. It's like, we haven't done that yet. Okay.
Our farm's just a little baby.
Yeah. Okay. Question for you.
Yes.
I know we kind of touched on it. You know that you didn't really major in what you do now, but what did you like go to school for and like major in?
No worries. So I went to school for so my first time out of school, I went to university for media studies, specializing in photography. So the goal was to be a photographer. Yeah, the goal was to be a photographer because it was really the only thing that I was like really, really good at school, except like music and stuff. But I was like, I don't really want to do music for like a career or anything because my mind space when I was like a kid, my parents were always like, you have to do something that's like gonna make you money because like we didn't have like the best circumstances growing up or whatever. So it was like, you know, you got to make sure you find a good career. So I was like, photography, and they're like, that's not better. But I was like, you know what? If I really love it, I
you believed really in yourself.
Well in it. Yeah, exactly. So I believed in it. But after going to school and stuff, I found that like, you know, it just wasn't like something that I want. It was a lot of grinding, and because to be a photographer, anything in the arts is so difficult.
Yeah.
Like, kudos to people who do that for a living. Like anything artistic or photography, like you're killing the game.
Yeah.
So good for you. So I went and I didn't really, you know, enjoy having to grind to kind of get jobs or whatever. What happened is we did a bit of graphic design stuff when we were like Photoshop and Illustrator and stuff when we were in the class. So I found an internship at a printing company. They actually did the signs I used to work in an arcade.
Cool.
And they did the signs for the arcade, so I interned with them. And then I just started working for them when I got out of school. So we did large format printing. We did like banners and like wraps and like billboards and stuff. So I wrapped cars. I didn't wrap them myself, but I helped set them up. So I did that for a really long time, and I did that, and I was like, you know what, I feel like I can maybe do something else. So, you know, I kind of looked up a few things that would kind of bridge some of the skills that I had in graphic design and whatever.
Yeah.
And I found a like interactive media program at Sheridan College here in Ontario, who's actually really well known for their animation program. Like it's actually the best in the world, if not really close.
Whoa.
Like Pixar
Yeah.
gets a lot of people from there. So I was like, oh, their digital program must be really good.
Yeah.
So I took a course there, like a little 8-month course, because I wanted to work at the same time and make money because I had to pay my own schooling and whatever. And I had actually gone to be UX. I thought I would do UX design going in, but I actually really loved web development. I loved how it challenged me. I loved like making something work with code. Like I just loved it so much. So I just stuck with that. And we did have a 50-50 split of female and male students, but I would say only two females from the class became web developers. Out of 27 students, only two of us, yeah. So, you know, it was, at the time I didn't have that realization, like that it was so little of us, and now I'm just like, that's so wild. That it was just two of us. So I'm glad we worked out.
Yeah.
And we went, but yeah, so I went to did my 6-month program. So I did 4 years photography, and then I did the 8 months of web development. So that's and then I got an internship right out of school, like literally immediately. So I got really lucky doing that. Yeah, it was great.
But I mean, that just kind of shows you how in demand, you know, those fields are and the jobs are in like the tech sort of like world.
Yeah, and they'll never go away. If anything, they just evolve.
Yeah.
And you just have to evolve with it, right? Like, you know, there's always new, there's always new languages, new technology. Like, there's jobs that people are probably going to school for right now that don't even exist yet.
Yeah.
You know, like no one knew that AI would be a thing, and now it's huge. You know, it's how data science is huge nowadays.
Yeah.
Right? Now that one you need to be good at math for.
You do. It's a lot of math.
You do. You do need. That's probably the one you need math for the most. But you know, that's a different kind of development, right? So that's what you would go to school for in particular. But like I said, it's just like something that didn't exist when I was in school. You know, so it just continuously changes. So it's wild.
Data science is so cool. We've talked to somebody who is a data scientist at Spotify, and it's just so cool to see how much science and math there is in like algorithms and all that help pick like playlists for you or like music for you. Like it's just so cool, the back end of it.
It's just so wild. And like that would be like well, they use like because they use Python, which is like more of a front end, but it uses like a lot of back end stuff, like what's it called, like databases and all that kind of stuff to store everything. So it's like kind of a bit of both. Like I could probably write a script to do like data science stuff, but then getting all the data all together would be like so confusing to me, just because my brain's like, what?
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
Do we want to adopt this cat?
A lot. Yo, take that cat. Okay. Yes.
Okay, what are we gonna name the cat? Should we ask the chat to name the cat?
Chat, what are we gonna name this cat?
Let's see.
No, Miso does sound real
Miso
cute.
was cute. That is true. If nobody has any suggestions, we'll go with Miso, I guess. And just while we're waiting, Kiki.
Yes.
If you can drop Chanel's link in the chat, so everybody go follow Chanel's channel. Go follow channels Chanel. She also streams. She plays lots of fun games. She's a coder.
Yes.
I watched one of her streams yesterday. It was super fun. So go follow. The link will be in the chat. Oh, it's in the chat. I see it now.
Yeah, come hang anytime.
Yeah, check out her streams.
You'll have a blast, I promise. And the plan is, I'm hoping to have some coding streams coming up soon, so look out for those.
Awesome.
Get some. I don't know what I wanna do yet, but we're gonna do some coding. I went into there's this one streamer. Her name is Metal and Coffee. She listens to like heavy metal and codes.
That's
I'm just like,
amazing.
oh my god, I love that you're coding.
Yeah. That's hilarious and
So,
also amazing.
inspired.
Okay, we have
Yeah.
Dr. Diet Pepper, which I don't think is going to fit in there. Spoons.
Diet Dr. Pepper. Olivia.
I actually like Spoons. That's a cute name.
Spoons. Cute.
But I like the one that it gave us, Miso.
Miso sounds like such a nice name for a cat.
Yeah, let's just stick with it. Nobody except for Kiki
I'm down.
gave us name suggestions, so I guess we're gonna go with Miso.
Let's do it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, do you have the watering can?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm like, I don't have a watering can. I must have one. Oh, I have it.
Okay. It was in the
way I just
inside of
left it in a chest.
I was gonna say it's probably in the chest.
I got it.
Okay, we gotta take 10 slimes.
10 slimes? I think
Yeah.
we have some slimes in the chest.
Yeah, I don't know how many I got though.
No worries.
1 slime.
Kiki's like, why did I even suggest anything? No one's listening to me.
I mean, it was cute. It was cute, but the game gave us a little bit of a cuter name.
Thing.
Yeah.
Reach farming level 1. Oh, we have to meet a bunch of people, but I'm in no rush. You have to craft a furnace? What do we need for a furnace?
Oh, I haven't even
Copper
checked.
and stone.
Let's see. Yeah. We need to get a lot of rocks. Or
Alright,
break
let's
a
go
lot.
back
I
to
guess
the
we have a
mines
bunch
then.
of rocks here. Maybe we should clear out more of this. And that'll help us get a
Oh,
bunch
yeah,
of
true.
supplies.
Maybe we'll find some copper.
Yeah. Or I guess it's
We
a
have
lot
2
easier to
geodes,
find.
too, and I
Actually, it's
found a
easier to
skull.
find copper if we go into the mines. I have pretty good energy. Yeah, let's go to the mines. It just takes so long to walk over there.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna go party in the mines now.
Oh shoot! I forgot my sword. I think I put it in one
also,
of these
I don't
chests.
need half these things when I go to the mines. We need more room for activities, you know?
Okay.
Don't need an axe, don't need a fishing rod.
Oh, that's true.
Okay.
Why do I have all these things? Okay.
See, I learned that last time when I was like, oh, I have no, I'm like, I keep running out of room because I don't have a backpack,
Oops.
and someone's like, why don't you just not bring half your things that you don't use?
Yeah.
I'm like, facts. I'll wait for you in town.
Ooh, there's a turnip though, or a
Oh,
leek.
grab that.
Oh,
Oh, go
there's
get
2
the
of
other
them.
one.
I feel like I'm playing Mario right now. You know how he puts the like
I love
radish
how
over
my
his head?
characters just hold things over their head.
Oh, we could eat that too if we run out
Yeah.
of energy.
Exactly.
Okay.
Oh, hello. Hello, twin. We're heading in. Oh, hold on. Have we
Oh.
met her yet?
Oh, I forgot we
Nope.
have to do
Yeah,
that.
we met her. Ooh. I was like, what is that sound?
Oh, you can hear it?
Yeah.
So the sound is working? Oh, you can hear it because
Well,
you're playing the
sound
game.
I can hear your
Duh.
sound. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I know last time you came on with Kiki, you taught her how to make a website.
Yes.
What was the first thing that you ever coded?
First thing I ever coded?
Yeah.
The first thing I ever coded was a form. Sounds so boring, but let me tell you the fundamentals of a form.
Yeah.
It's actually a good way to learn front end and back end stuff, because with a form, right? You
Yeah.
fill out a form. Where does all the data go for a
Right.
form?
Right.
It goes to a
True.
database, right? So I had to code this form in HTML and CSS, and then I had to code. Um, I had to code in this language called like PHP, which is still around.
Yeah.
So the PHP is the thing that is like the backend that talks to like the database, basically. So it connects your form to the database, basically. So I had to tell it like, hey, connect this form with these names, and then I had to set up like a little database.
How do you do
Using
that?
something called
You were just gonna
So
answer
basically,
me.
no, no, I was like, let me tell you about it. So I hooked on my PHP to this thing called MySQL. So that's the database it hooks up
Mhm.
to. So MySQL is just made up of a bunch of tables, basically. So it's like an Excel spreadsheet, like how
Yeah.
it has tables. It's like that, but like a little bit different. Like the tables all connect to each other. But it stores it all in there. So you just tell it like what you want the tables to have, whether it's like their first name, their last name. So you formulate all that. So actually, if you know WordPress at all, I know a lot of people know WordPress because it's like for blogging and stuff. But how
Yeah.
WordPress works is WordPress takes all of your content and it puts it in a MySQL database. So when you set up your account and stuff, like it's all done through a database basically, and it's written in PHP. It's all written in PHP, which is so wild. But yeah, so fun fact.
How
I don't
did
know if it's
you?
changed since the last time I've used it,
Yeah, I
but
don't know.
it's all set up that way because
You
it's
don't
all
like to
form
code
data.
forms for fun?
Honestly, now when I have to do forms, I'm like, this is great. This is like the first thing I ever did. It took me forever to get my form looking good.
Yeah.
And I don't even remember what the form was about. Oh, it was what was the form? The form was it was a sign up for like, because I play softball in my spare
Oh, okay.
time in the summertime, because here in Canada we can't play softball all year round because it's all cold.
Sure.
So it's a summer sport. And you always have a hard time finding girls to play when you do like a co-ed league. So I made a form to like sign up for girls to sign up to play on like be like a backup player for sports teams.
That's so
So
fun.
yeah, it was so fun. So the first thing I ever coded was a form. Which was so fun. It's got all the fundamentals in there. So if you want to code something, code a form.
I mean, how, like, let's just say somebody's starting to code. Like, they've never coded before. Would you say that's like a pretty good place to start?
Yeah, I guess you could code a form. I think the best place to start is maybe figure out like something really simple that you want to create, right? So, like something really, really basic. Like, so in school, we actually did one thing we did is we coded a resume.
Oh,
we did.
that's useful.
We have like
That's a life skill.
Yes, we did exactly. So we did like an online resume because you can just do basic stuff like text and images and whatever, right?
Yeah.
And then maybe you can get like a little bit like creative and put like little animations and stuff in it, right? Like you know how sometimes when you have like skills or whatever added to your resume, you can do like so you can be like, I have my JavaScript level is like 6 out of 10. You can do like a little animation, like a little bar or whatever. You can figure out how to do that in CSS, which is really fun. But yeah, like just figure out something really simple, like maybe a form or like a resume, something like really not super, super hard. Because like what a lot of people will do, and I tended to do this a lot in school, is you'll try to be very ambitious.
Yeah.
So you're like, I want to create like a chat app that does this and blah blah blah, but like it's like so hard to code something like that, right? So start with the basics. Oh my gosh, I did not see the time.
I know. I just left and I left the geode behind.
No.
I know. I didn't have room in my pockets either.
I'm leaving. And I don't have a horse, so I have to run.
I know.
yeah, so there's that. There's also just like little tutorials online that you can do that do the same thing, where it's like, oh, you're building like I did one where it was like you were just building like Airbnb's like homepage.
Oh.
Like nothing crazy, right? Like it
Yeah.
didn't actually need to hook up to anything, but it was just like you were just recreating it. So that's another cool way of learning how to do stuff, is just like recreating like basic homepages of something, right? Like how would I recreate this really easily? Like nothing, like none of the crazy functionality that you get on sometimes. But like just like make it look like it with the CSS and the HTML. And I think that was
Yeah.
one of our assignments that we had, was that we had to recreate like a page or something, which was like so fun.
I've coded once in my life, and this is going to date me tremendously, but my MySpace page.
Yes, I heard that from a lot of people. I don't think I knew that you could code a MySpace page.
Yeah, it's HTML.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
This
It was
is
really
gonna date
good
me
too. I have no idea. I added music. I changed the color. I changed
You
the
could do all
font.
that on
Yeah.
a MySpace page?
Yeah.
What? That's why I didn't know. This is gonna date me as well. First thing I ever coded was my Neopets pages.
Mhm.
Yeah, so like you could code like if you had the pets, like your Neopets, you could code their like they had like a little about me page.
Yep.
So you could code their little like about page. And then you could also code like the stores where you would sell your stuff. You could code the store too. So I had music on my like
That's a
page
nice
and stuff and
touch.
like backgrounds. Yeah.
I would shop there.
Yeah. Exactly. All I sold were like paintbrushes and
Oh.
what was the other thing? Was there like stones or something? I don't even know anymore.
It was
what
honestly
was on
so
Neopets.
long. Yeah. If anybody knows, if anybody else
Yeah.
had a Neopets,
Oh my god, Neopets! Neopets was the bomb back in the day. I remember when I joined Neopets. When I joined Neopets, I was maybe 12, so I had to get permission.
oh, that's true.
To join, and the way you got permission is my mom had to fax a form to
Stop.
Neopets. Yeah. She had to like fill out this like this form and fax it to Neopets. Oh my god, it was so
That's amazing.
crazy.
Faxing a form. Oh, that's so nice. She faxed a form so you could get Neopets.
Yeah, she was like, "Yeah, I'll do it, so you can play Neopets." But like, how
Oh,
wild is
cute.
that? I know.
I think we have
Good
a lot
times,
of
good
ore.
times.
I mean, a
We
lot of
need
copper. There's 11 here in this
We need
chest.
25, I think.
How many is in that chest that you're in?
There's 12 in this one.
Okay, I have 11. So we should go back to the mines.
Yeah,
Let
we
me
just
drop
need a few
this
more.
watering can.
Oh, the
in there.
topaz. I have topaz, and there's a few things we can give to Gunther, but we can do that later.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
let's
just gonna
let's
drop
roll.
off this watering can.
Yeah, it's better we go.
And I didn't need my axe. I'm gonna get rid of it. Oops. But I do need my pickaxe.
Yeah, Stardew is the best.
Okay.
Someone was saying their
I
boyfriend.
know, I
got them
can't see
into-
the... I can't see... Let me look at the chat. Oh my god, Kiki said Neopets still exist.
It's still around because I
That's
know
what Kiki
Flash
says.
like died.
Ah.
I have considered getting back in the.
Oh,
Yo, Jay, I'll meet you there. Jay, I'll meet you
Shiny,
there.
Shiny J, I think is how you say their name, says, oh,
Yeah,
I
Jay's
definitely
great.
lied about my age for Neopets.
Shiny J is also in STEM.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What STEM field?
Wait, are you a dev too, Jay? Yeah, let's do it. I think Jay might be a developer as well.
Front end. Awesome.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, we met. It was it's so funny, but like there was one month during Black History Month.
Mhm.
I was like featured a lot in February, and the biggest thing that I got from that was the amount of female developers who just like wandered into my chat, like
Yeah.
just like females in STEM that wandered into
Yeah.
my chat who have just like stuck around, and we just chat about things like that all the time. Like it's so fun.
That is so
I love it
nice.
so much. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
see, and that just kind of
Jay is
shows the
great.
whole, like, sometimes we do get people who's like, why do you do this? Like, and it's like, oh, because you
Exactly.
literally need to show it. Like, you literally
Exactly.
need to show that this community exists, that there are people who are championing for you. Like, this is why. And just like you being able to, like, they featured you, people discovered you
Exactly.
and saw that there's a community and there's people who are interested and want to hear from you.
Exactly.
That's why. That's why it's important.
Exactly. And then for my channel, like I'm just like an open book. Like as much as I have like a lot of like happy, smiley, like fun times, like I'm not afraid to like chat about like if I had a rough day, like, coding something, or like, oh, I just feel like, I could do better and whatever. I'm not afraid to talk about that. And people like and I feel like with a lot of females, I find this with a lot of females in STEM fields, maybe just not just web development, but a lot of web developers, like
Mm-hmm.
it's just like this weird thing that we feel like that we're not like the best at it for some reason. You know what I mean? Like we feel like defeated, and I think it's just because there's not a lot of us
Yeah,
in the field, so it's like we don't have those people to talk to see if we're like feeling the same or feel like weird or like outnumbered, or like if we're
sure.
doing well or whatever. Like it's just like so strange, so it's nice to see people in the chat like that who are feeling the same.
Yeah.
you know
It's so
hmm
cool that you've been able to find that community also, especially on a
yeah,
platform
exactly.
that, wasn't necessarily made for that. Obviously it's grown into what it is now where it's not just
Yeah,
like gaming anymore, but
exactly.
it's pretty cool of like how much it's expanded to, you know, people who stream and they just code, or like people who like
Exactly.
stream themselves doing science experiments. Like it's really cool to just see, you know, that other side of it. And
You
games
get some
are
nice
STEM
variety.
also, by the way.
Yeah. Yes,
There's
Jay.
so many STEM careers that go into making a video game, which is like what I've
Oh my
discovered
gosh, it's
from,
insane.
yeah. Like yesterday we
When I s-
had Agnes Larson on, and she
yes.
went to school for engineering.
Right.
And that was like what she went to university for. But she always loved video games. Like she just like loved it so much. And because of her love for video games, like she was able to use her engineering background, and now she's the game director of Minecraft.
How
Like
insane is that?
it's so cool and
Imagine you
amazing.
just ah, and I love that it's a woman who does
Mhm.
that. That's my favorite thing when I see a woman rise like that, because it just makes you feel like you can do that too, You know?
For
And
sure.
it's such a big game.
Huge.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so insane.
she's the fact that she comes on to our streams and is just like just showing me around her realm. I'm like, I'm not
Yeah,
worthy.
I know. Am I supposed to be here? Like, is this the right? Is this? I love it.
Yeah, but she's just
Yeah.
one of those people also that I just love having on here and like featuring, like the same with you. Like you love coding and you love what you do, and you can just
Yes.
kind of like see it the way you talk about
hmm
it. And it's the same thing with her. Like when she talks about playing Minecraft and like creating these new like mobs and biomes and all this stuff in the game, like she just lights up and she just like loves the community and she loves what she
I
does.
feel
Like
that.
that's
hmm
what you want to show and that's what you want to see, because it's like inspires you. Like it's like,
Yeah,
oh, I want to do
exactly.
that too.
Yeah, I think what's really great about your show is that it's showing like girls like, oh yeah, this is a thing. Oh, not me slowly dying. Um,
Did I do that by hitting you
um,
with my sword?
no, that was me.
Oh, okay.
No, no, it was me. The slime got me. Um, yeah, it just shows like, because I don't know the statistics in it at all, but like I hear a lot of like young girls will kind of just like drop off in like elementary school because they'll like kind of lose interest in these fields and stuff. And I feel like I did the same thing. But they'll lose interest because they don't think that they can do it for the most part. Like
Yeah.
they think it's just like whether it's like too hard or you need to be good at math or science or whatever. So a lot of them will just drop. So I think it's good to see if they're watching or whatever, or like their parents or their siblings or whatever, they can be like, wow, it's not so bad.
Yeah, no, that's like, and that's why I like talking to people like you and talking to people with like Agnes. Like,
Yeah.
these are STEM jobs are fun. Like, you can
Yeah,
do
no,
really
they really
fun
are.
stuff. Like, if you love art, but you also love science and you love like anything that has to do with STEM, like, there's a creative job for you.
Exactly. Some of
And
the stuff
that's,
I've got to work on is insane. Like,
yeah.
so fun.
Yeah, we've
Like, I hear
worked
the
with.
bee.
Oh, sorry. No, you go.
No, I was saying I hear the bee.
Oh, okay. It got
Go
me
ahead.
a little bit, but I got it.
Oh no.
No, some of the people like for National STEM Day is like a huge like holiday for us, but also like
Yeah.
Space Week. There's so many, women that we've worked with that work in the space industry, like whether they're aerospace engineers or, they're actually like rocket scientists, just like all these
Right.
different fields. And we got lucky enough that we got a lot of videos and got to work with ILM, which is insane. And
Wow.
so ILM is Industrial Light and Magic for anyone in the chat
Yes.
who doesn't know, and Lucasfilms. And
Ugh.
it's just like so cool, these jobs. Like, they've worked on The Mandalorian, they've worked on all the Star
I'm
Wars
dead.
games. Like, yeah, if you want to check out some really awesome, like on our TikTok account, we feature tons of different women in really awesome like STEM fields. Kiki can drop the link in the chat if you want to check it out, but their videos are up there. Like, their jobs are so cool. Like, they're VFX artists.
Oh,
like, that's a
awesome.
STEM job. Like, a 3D
Exactly.
animator, that's a STEM job. Like, you can program
Exactly.
games, you can design games. Like, it's just seeing
So
all of
many things you
these
can do.
jobs is just like so cool.
Also, for anyone who's considering changing jobs, just don't consider. Like, if you're really considering it, there's a reason. Like, I mean, do your research, whatever, but just do it.
No, for real. Because again,
Just
like,
do it.
and you are an example, but also Agnes and like a lot of women we've spoken to, like, it wasn't their original like
No.
trajectory to like, they were doing something else and they're like, but I really want to do this, and they just went for it, and
Exactly.
it like worked out. It's okay to
Exactly.
change things.
It's scary,
Whenever.
but it's definitely okay.
Totally
You'll be
okay.
fine.
Yes. And
I
honestly,
have no energy.
me either. I should probably go back. And here at Mission Unstoppable, you have a community of people who will support you and, cheer you on when you need it. And I think it's probably the
Exactly.
same with you.
Yeah, exactly. I love my favorite thing, and this happens to me a lot on like LinkedIn and stuff, because I do have a LinkedIn. I may not seem like it with my headphones that I normally have on. I am a professional.
Yeah.
I'll get people who will reach out to me who I think are kind of going through the same process as I did, where they're like trying to switch careers, or they're like a woman in STEM, or a woman of color in STEM, and they're just trying to figure out, like, they're like, I see what your career path is. Can you just chat? Can we just chat? And I'm like, yeah, just pick a day. Let's Zoom. Let's
Oh, I
like
love
have a
that.
you can ask me whatever you want. Like, that's my favorite thing to do.
I love that.
Mm-hmm.
That's so
Because I didn't
important
really talk
too.
to anyone, right?
Mhm.
So it's great.
And it's hard enough to like ask somebody, to reach out to somebody for help,
Exactly.
that it's really nice that you are offering that, because
Oh
having
yeah,
somebody to talk to
absolutely.
that's like doing it is so helpful.
Yeah, it's just like, if they want advice, or they want to know what I'm working on, or whatever, like, I don't mind at all. Because it's nice to see someone's perspective. It's nice to see someone just tell you like, it's probably going to be pretty hard when you
Yeah.
first join because it's not something you've never done before, but let me tell you, like, it does get better. And it's more than worth it. So you're fine.
I completely agree.
And you
Do you
get to
think we
work
have
on cool stuff.
enough now?
Hold up. Oh, we got enough now.
Okay.
Ooh.
Let me go to the other side.
Actually, I think I know where Robin's axe is.
Oh, okay. I don't know if I ever figured that out.
I think it's down below.
Okay, we can go there.
So I'll go get the axe if you want to go give her all the materials.
To make
Cause not Robin. Was it Robin?
Wait, are you talking about to make the furnace?
Oh shoot, yeah.
Because we can make that ourselves.
Yeah, you go ahead and make
Yeah.
the furnace and then I'll show you where the axe is.
Okay.
We'll go on a little adventure.
Okay. I'm gonna take this.
And we have all these
copper.
stones to give to Gunther too.
So many. Oh, I can't get in there.
Yeah. So I'll bring those too.
What do I
think
need
I
from
have
here?
this
Oh, there's
somewhere already.
okay, I got it. There's a geode here. There's the
I have one
earth
geode too.
crystal. Oops.
We're
Earth
set.
crystal and topaz.
Yeah, you should have a topaz, an
I
is it
think I got
amaranth?
it all.
Wait, what's the purple stone again?
Oh, and the amethyst.
Amethyst.
Okay.
Amaranth is the plant.
Yeah.
I'm thinking purple, just wrong purple thing.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. He's probably
Okay,
not
perfect.
open
so let's
yet.
go right Robin's axe. Down we go. And we don't have to water our plants. Great day so far.
Ooh,
I've walked
Chanel,
10,000
I was just gonna
paces.
say, I just saw that.
Look at me go.
Oops.
Oh yeah, it's not strong enough yet.
I know.
Oh, I
we
don't have
got
an
it.
axe. Oh, that's fine.
I didn't bring anything. I forgot. I just have my what is it called?
Mining things.
Yeah, my mining stick.
Yeah, my mining stick. Not the mining stick. Yeah, I think it's down here somewhere.
Okay.
Like at the end. Oh, we get the horseradish. I was gonna say, we were talking about like cool things that we worked on, and and not a question, but if you had asked me what's the coolest thing I've ever worked on, I got to work on this site for so you know how there's like Pokemon Go?
Yes.
They have a Harry Potter version. It's called Wizards Unite.
Yes.
So I got to work on they made like a website that was like all Wizards Unite related. So we got to like make a website and people could go on and it had like all these like interactive like animations and stuff. It was probably one of the coolest things I've ever worked on. It was so hard but so fun.
That is honestly so cool.
Yeah, I worked for so when you're like a front end web developer or even a back end web developer, there's kind of different like places that you can work for. So my first ever job was at an agency. So agencies like, they have clients and stuff. So I worked with a lot of like car companies.
Oh, that's
which
cool
was really
though.
fun. Yeah. Yeah. I worked with like Nissan, Infiniti, Mitsubishi, like those were like some of the sites I worked on. And then I worked on AT&T, and that's why I got to work with the Wizards Unite stuff. So it was really cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so agencies, you get to work with a lot of clients. Where is her axe? I swear it's down
no
here.
idea.
Keep looking. So, and then I worked for and then you can go like client side, which means like you work at the place. So I switched over to that. But yeah, agency, I got to work with a lot of cool stuff. And I got to travel to a couple cool places, which was cool, like LA and all those places. So
When was
good
that?
times.
When did you work on that?
I worked on that in 2018, maybe 2019, 2018. But do you prefer agency or client?
Yeah.
Oh,
Real quick.
let me think.
Do we need a halibut? Is that one of the fish that we need for
Oh, for the community center?
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
I don't think so.
Do we
We're
need
good.
it?
What do I prefer, agency or client? I think they both have their pros and cons. I think I really enjoy. I think for anyone who's looking to do it, don't whatever my preference is, don't go like in my direction if you don't want to. But the thing with agency is I got to do a lot of cool stuff, and I did get to travel to places because of the client work and you know conferences and stuff that I got to go to. But I actually enjoy doing client side more because I feel like with client side, you're always um, you're always trying to make your stuff better because it's your product, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, I worked in grocery, so like, you're always trying to make a better experience for those customers, right? Um, so I really like that because you're always trying to make that thing better. With agency, you kind of like make it and then you hand it off. So then it's like kind of done at that
Right.
point, right? But again, you get to do really cool stuff. With the agency side, client side, you don't get to like travel as much. But you know what? That's fine. I'm at the point in my life where I'm like cool with that without traveling for a bit. So that's totally fine. So client side, definitely I prefer. Oh, I found it.
Oh, there it
Yay!
is.
You can grab it. Go
You
ahead.
can do the honors. You're the guest.
Oh, thank you. Woohoo.
Oh, wait, we both have to do it. Just kidding.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my god.
All right.
Yeah.
Got it. Let's go deliver that baby.
Do it. And then we'll go deliver all the artifacts.
Oh, I guess we go up this way, right?
Yeah, I was like, I don't remember where I am right now. All right, let's do it.
So
Oh,
what do you
now I'm
like to
walking
like
into
code for fun?
What do I code for fun, or
Yeah.
when do I get to code for
Or
fun?
like what do you like to code for fun?
Um, it's really funny because I would say like
Besides
the
your
last time I coded
Neopet
for
site.
fun, right? I haven't coded anything for fun in so long, and it's only because um I feel like with any job, I always compare this to like a trade, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like I always have people who are like come to me like, "Hey, I want to make a website for this thing." And I'm like, "I just did this for 8 hours. I don't want to do that
Sure.
anymore." But the couple things that I've coded for fun, I code what's the last thing I coded? The last thing I coded, actually, I can't even remember the last thing I coded this just because when I was trying to learn more about oh, he's talking to you. I was trying to learn more about APIs. So APIs, I don't remember the exact what it stands for, but basically APIs are like things that you call in order to get like data from something, right? So Twitch has APIs. So you
Okay.
can hit up like Twitch's API to tell them like how many subscriptions you have or how many followers you have or like your information or whatever, right? So you call them for information. So I was trying to learn them. So I created this and I was trying to learn a new language. So I created
Mm-hmm.
this like brewery, this like brewery app.
Okay.
Yeah, so you could like search your city and then it would let you know like the breweries in your area. Cause like
Right.
at the time I was like, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do something unique. Let's do breweries. Like that's a big thing here in Toronto, right? So let's do that. So that's probably the last thing I coded for fun. I would
So if you could
say.
code anything like it might be fun to code
Yeah.
actually. Maybe it wouldn't. Maybe it already exists. What would be like something fun to code? I'm trying to think.
I don't know.
I was gonna say like all the best arcades or something, but then that's like not
Yeah,
every place
totally.
has like awesome arcades, I guess, or tons of
Yeah.
arcades.
You'd probably have to try to find. So it's always every time you want to like create something, right? The biggest thing that you need is data. And that's where
Right.
the back end peeps come in, right? To get all that data. So if you can find something with that data, that's so easy to create something like that. It seems like it's really overwhelming at first, but that's a really fun when you want to like up your level. Like once you've like done your thing, like you've recreated the page or you've created a forum to up your level, you can start doing like, you know, that stuff, like calling APIs and doing things like that. Right? Like now I can do it like crazy, but when I did when I was learning it before, I had no idea what was going on.
Right.
Robin's not home. Goodbye.
She's not home. Also,
No,
I
we'll have to
forget
give
what
it
we
to
have to
tomorrow.
do to get
Oh, the
this
community
to
center.
not
There's
be
the
the crazy
one.
language anymore.
There's the. Oh, we have to talk to the wizard.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's why he wanted the slime.
Yes.
And I didn't bring the slime with me. And I don't
We'll
have a
go
lot of
tomorrow.
room in
We'll go
here.
tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm gonna run. Actually, I have one thing for Gunther, but we'll give it to him tomorrow. So
I think it's too late too.
Yeah, we'll go to sleep. One thing I would love to code something for Twitch, like that's connected to Twitch somehow.
Oh yeah, have you
So
ever like an extension?
yeah,
could
I would
code
love
your
to
own
code like an extension
extensions.
or something. Yeah. I always joke with my viewers like that sometimes like swear words will pop out of my mouth. A bit of a potty mouth. So I was like, I kind of want to create a swear jar on stream and like make it kind of visual. So like someone can like type in the chat like swear or something like that. And then it just like starts filling up. And then we'll do something like maybe at the end of the month or like we'll see when it gets kind of full. Like maybe I'll like donate it to like a charity or something.
That would be
like
nice.
depending on what the amount is, right? So things like that would be kind of cool.
Yeah, I like the one thing we don't have on our stream, which I want to, but it's hard because we don't stream. A lot of the extensions use like OBS or like directly streaming from Twitch, and we use vMix, which there's not like a lot of stuff that we can use. So if you ever make something that's an extension that works with vMix, let us know, because I'd like to get like a sub counter or something, which is something that we don't.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's
do
definitely
not have.
possible. Yeah, that's definitely possible. Because if it's just like a extension in Twitch, then that's totally a thing. I got you.
Okay, I think I didn't get rid of one thing, and it's because I think, oh, but we have to get the slime. Okay, how much slime do we have?
Yes. I think we have enough slime. Did you find a breadstick?
I did. In the trash. Oops.
For eating.
In the trash. Okay.
Is today the egg festival?
I think it would tell us.
Maybe we missed it.
Oh, okay, good. We went to the, okay. Okay,
Ooh.
yeah, we have to go see the wizard. Okay.
Oh, this is the trippy where it's all like he teaches you and it's all like this weird dream.
Yeah, we should go over there.
Yeah. Oh, hi dog. My dog decided to come in the room.
Ooh. And you just got your dog, right? Like not that long ago?
He is yeah, I actually just got him in March. But he's almost a year old. I can hear him.
I think I've seen him.
Yeah,
on
he's gonna be
Instagram.
a year old, but I got him in March because he was like a rehome.
Oh.
Yeah, but dogs are really hard. Dogs are really, really hard.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
And it
see
doesn't
the
matter
wizard.
what size, honestly.
No, he's only about like this big, but like full of energy.
Oh,
Hold on,
I hear him.
I'm gonna close my door. Give me 1 second.
I mean, it doesn't bother me, so.
Buddy said, I want to be on. I want to talk about STEM. His name's Buddy.
That's the cutest name. Is it because of Elf?
I wish. I don't know why his name is Buddy. The last owner had a few children, so I think they named him. Yeah.
Oh, that's a cute name.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Do we go to Robin first so we don't lose her?
Yes. Okay, and then let me get the
Wait,
slime out of here.
Today?
We have 19 slime. So I think we
19.
need more.
We needed 10, right? Oh no, it says we have
10?
to slay 10 green slime.
The egg festival has began. Oh, what happens in the egg festival? Do we need to bring anything?
No.
Oh, we just find the eggs.
We try to find all the eggs in town.
Yeah, I'm good at that. Okay.
I fail that one every time. The children beat me. It feels so weird when you participate in the egg festival because I'm like, am I not a grown adult running a farm? I'm like hanging out with like Jess and whoever the little boy's name is. Like, it's so
Okay.
weird.
Is there anything we could buy? I
Ooh,
have
strawberries.
money.
Wait, we don't have too much money do we?
We don't. I think we only have
Nah,
like
let's buy
1,000.
nothing. We need backpacks.
This pink banner is so cute though.
Just get it, whatever.
Well, we need our backpacks. We need our backpacks.
We need our
Okay.
backpacks. Right, Lewis?
Yeah, I'm ready to start.
Can I tell you how if you know how there's that one mission where you have to get Lewis's purple shorts?
Yes, it's in what's her faces in the barn.
Yeah, it's in Marnie's. Oh, the scandal.
Yeah, big scandal.
If you sew gold if you get a gold bar, and so
Uh-huh.
if you become friends with Emily, and then you get a gold bar, and she has a sewing machine at her house, you can sew the gold bar into the shorts so you can wear them, and then you just talk to him and Marnie, and they have the funniest reactions.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, it's so good.
I haven't done that.
Fun
Okay.
fact. Fun fact.
Okay, I gotta get ready. I gotta sit up.
All right, let's find these eggs.
Between the two of us, one of us
We can do
has
this.
to win.
I believe in us,
Okay.
but more you. Oh, there's one.
I wish we could move faster.
I know. Where's my horse? Oh, there's one. Does it combine our total?
Who knows? Okay, here's one. Oh, you got it.
Oh, I was like, I didn't see you coming.
Oh, there it is. Okay, there's the other one. Which I don't know how I can get back there. Do this? Yeah.
Oh, there's one. We gotta beat all these children.
How much time do we have? Oh, 9
We
seconds?
gotta kick their butts.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
The
I
children
got
beat us
5
for sure.
eggs. I got 5 eggs.
We got 9 in total. Finish. Yes.
The suspense.
The suspense. Did we do it?
Okay. Crossing my fingers. Chanel, you won!
What? You brought me good luck. I never win this egg hunt.
You
Win this egg
won!
hunt. Yes. What a day. I love that for us. Oh, and I got a straw hat. Now I gotta wear the straw hat.
Oh, you have to.
Yeah.
You have to.
All right, let me put
Oh,
it
it's
on
nighttime.
immediately. Oh,
Oops.
no, not the skull. Why can't I put it on? Put it on later. It's fine. We're going to bed.
Do you know what code was used to make Stardew?
I believe Stardew was made in...
Is it like C++
It's a
or
C
something?
language. It's like a C, yeah. Yeah, it's a C language, which is actually kind of common for like games like this. I'm not sure if there's a lot of mods in Stardew Valley as well, and I'm not 100% sure if you need to know the same language to code them, or if you could just do it in JavaScript. But I assume you would have to know the same language. I assume you would, but you never know.
Probably. Also, I just remembered one more thing I know how to code.
Yes.
The Sims.
Oh, do you know how to code this?
I know how- I know-
Actually, I can't remember.
I mean, it's not really coding. I'm just using a cheat code.
Oh, you're hacking. You're actually
I'm
just
hacking. I'm actually a hacker, yeah. I'm a hacker.
Knew it. I knew when we met that you were the hacker extraordinaire.
Hack the planet.
Hack the planet. A lot of people will like. So when people find out I code, they either think I actually do IT, which is fixing computers, which I don't do, and they I do fix the computer if they ask using Google. Thank you, Google.
Yeah.
Developer's best friend.
That's true.
but-
I've learned that from a
yeah.
lot of like different developers. There's like, where do you go to learn? And it's like Google.
Google.
Like
Yeah,
almost every
Google's
single
your
one is
bestie.
like Google. Yeah. Which is like
It's the
actually
best.
really nice because it's like you can everybody can go and Google something.
Yeah.
So if you really want
Yeah,
to learn to
once
code,
yeah,
you can.
Google. Yeah, there's so many tutorials out there, and then once you actually start getting like more comfortable with the hardest part about Googling, which I feel like Googling is like an expertise. It's like an art form. But you know you become a good developer when you know exactly what you need to Google.
Yeah.
So it's like, because you can't memorize everything. Like, that's impossible. That's impossible. Like, for you to remember, like, CSS properties or to remember, like, certain JavaScript functions, whatever. Like, that's impossible. But you know you become a good dev when you're like, I know exactly what I need to do. I just don't remember the name for it or what I can use it for.
Yeah.
Right? So, Google's great. I know like devs who've been devs forever who Google 50% of their day is that.
Yeah.
There's no way you're gonna memorize that.
Yeah, I think every person I've talked to that codes, like you said, they all use Google.
Exactly. So useful. But yeah, sorry, the second thing was they think I can hack things. They're like, oh, can you hack like this website, whatever? I'm like, no, I can't. I can't hack.
But anybody actually can look at the back end of a website.
Oh yeah,
pretty
absolutely.
much.
Oh yeah, absolutely. You can see how a site runs. You can go and like look at the actual page source and like see how it's all structured. You can actually when you open something like Chrome or Firefox and you open up the console, you can see all the code running in the background. You can mess up the HTML, change the colors. And that's another really cool way to learn, is to actually go to a website and like play around with the HTML or change the CSS styles, like stuff like that. That's really fun.
Is that something you did when you were like starting to learn?
Oh yeah, because I finally understood what like the tags were used for,
Yeah.
and like what I could do. I think even when we were learning, they even had us just like go to a site and like change some of the tag, like change some of the stuff so we could see that like actually changing in front of our eyes, right? So it was really cool.
What language would you say would be the best one to like start with?
Wow. I'm always going to say JavaScript because that's what I use. But it's really up to the user and kind of what they want to do. I've heard a lot of people say like they really like Python. A lot of people do JavaScript because like the internet runs on JavaScript, so, and there's a lot of things in JavaScript, lots of jobs in that. If you're doing game development, you might do C languages, things like that, because you're coding in like Unity and all those kind of things. It's really up to what the person wants to do, or what they're interested in doing, because depending on what they want to do, certain languages work better for them. But if you're doing something like what I do, probably if you're like, I want to do front end, then you're going to do JavaScript. If you want to do back end, you're doing things like Java and PHP and there's like a bunch of different ones. So it just depends what path you want to follow, right?
Right.
But if you want to do what I do, I would say JavaScript. I'm always going to go with JavaScript. Ooh, a single cauliflower in the corner.
I know. I was going to do something. Oh, yeah. Okay. So there's stuff for sale over here. I just can't remember what we need.
Oh, from the cart? Here, I'll come with you. Let's
do you
see
remember
what we can,
everything?
From the community center?
Yeah.
I have a good idea.
Okay.
I might have to flip the wiki open just so.
Yeah.
I know Halibut wasn't on there for sure.
Okay. And I can't remember if the sandfish is on there or not.
Sandfish is on there.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. I have the cutscene for the sewer.
Oh, yes. Because there's a lot of good stuff. Because I know there's like a large
get the sandfish.
milk.
Yeah.
Okay. We just need one, right?
Yeah, just one sandfish. What else is there?
There's like the giant.
I just realized I can see your spoon.
I think we need the large goat milk, right? I don't have enough.
Yeah, but we're poor now. we added that gold.
We could sell something really quick.
Yeah, true.
Because we don't have any.
How much
think
more
the store's open.
money do we need?
Not much. Well, actually, maybe like 500 and something dollars. 600.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's
What
see
can
what we
I
can
sell?
sell. I think we still have some like gems and stuff.
Okay, let's sell it.
Oh, but there's only a couple things we can sell really quickly.
You could sell the
Which is, like,
gems if
fish?
you want to go sell the gems, and I can sell. I think we have food, like food that we could sell in here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Pierre will take that.
Yeah, we have turnips or parsnips. We can sell that,
Yeah, let's sell those.
and I'll sell the kale, the potato. Do we need potatoes?
No,
I think we need the
no,
dandelion,
we don't
don't
need
we?
potatoes. We do need, if we have gold parsnips,
We
save
don't.
those.
So just
We don't have any gold parsnips? Okay, then we're good.
Oh wait, no, we do. We have 2, so I'll keep those.
Okay, save the gold parsnips. You can sell all the other ones. There's
I can sell the
non-gold
kale,
ones in here.
leek, potatoes. Do we need to? Is potatoes one of it? I want to say dandelions
No.
are.
Dandelions and everything that's a foraging item is one of them. So I think
Okay.
it's dandelions, daffodil, and wild horseradish we
Okay.
need.
Okay.
Right, let's go sell these.
Is that
You
everything?
need
that I
that
can
large
sell in
goat
here?
milk.
No.
I think you need it for the pantry.
Oh, spring onion. That's a forage.
Oh yeah, we can sell that one.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's that
And then we have a
one
lot of
pantry item where it's
dandelions. We only need 1, right?
yeah.
Okay,
Oh no,
so I can-
why is he not at the?
Oh, is it
Ah!
Wednesday? No, he should be there. Oh,
No,
they just
it's
closed.
past 5. I hate it here.
No!
No, Pierre, ruining my day. Well, I'm gonna
There's
go to the
no way we
community
could get like instant money either.
center. No, that's fine. We just have to get a goat now, which will
it.
take forever because we need a barn.
Okay.
This is fine. This is fine.
Well, I'm gonna put every. Oh, I guess I might as well just drop it in here then.
Yeah, just sell it. Wait, we still need to go see the wizard.
Oh, he's awake, right? I'll take the slime with me
he's
too.
up till 9. I think you can go visit him till 9.
Okay, let me get that slime out.
Yeah, because I just went to the community center and I realized we can't read anything.
Right. Okay, I'm going down there.
All right, here we go. Just carrying a parsnip over my head. Regular day.
We need it. We need all the parsnips. We need to sell as much as we can for
I know.
future.
Coming over.
Oh, that girl that needs the
Over.
axe. Isn't that her? No,
No.
it's not Leah.
That's
Dang it.
they look similar because they have
They
orange
do.
hair. Leah's the artist. I love how Abigail just chills
She really does.
in the corner. All right, I'm coming. It's locked. Oh, you're in there.
Oh, it won't let you go in?
No, it's like, it sounds like someone's in there.
Oh, okay.
That's okay.
You can get like rocks and stuff in the meantime.
Ah, true. I'll just be chopping logs over here. Jokes. I don't have my axe. Rocks
Oh
it is.
no!
I keep forgetting to add my axe back. There's some rocks. I'll grab them. Oh, and the cart is closed. Good night.
I think the water evaporated in my water bottle. Like the actual like part of it that was making these things like glittery.
Yeah.
It's like empty.
Oh.
Oh, thank you so much. I meant like the thing that makes the like sparklies move.
But
But I can use some water too. Thank you.
Here's some water.
What would I do without Kiki? Okay.
Kiki to the rescue.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my axe in my bag. There we go.
I forgot how long this takes.
Told you, it's like some weird trippy dream scene.
Thank you so much.
Woohoo! I'm coming back.
Who do I have to give the slime to? I forget.
Oh, we just have to kill the slay the slimes. We don't
Oh, I
have to
thought
do
we
anything.
had to give slime.
Me too. I read that wrong also, but no,
Okay.
we just have to slay 10 green slimes. Oh, I am so far away.
But also, this is taking forever.
Just give me the.
Oh, yeah, I
give
have
me
to
the
drink
power.
it.
Be patiently waiting outside, but I can't go in probably because it's 11:30.
Oh, no!
That's okay. At least one of us has got it.
While you do that, I can go, like, tomorrow when you do that, I can go into
Yeah,
the mines.
Exactly.
And get stuff.
You're set.
This is actually a really cool graphic.
I know.
I like it.
All right, I'm going to bed.
Oh man, now I have to walk back. I can't even see.
Yeah. Oh, the cat. The cat's here. What? We're set.
Oh no, I'm falling asleep and I can't see the ground, so
Oh,
I'm
no.
like getting stuck behind rocks.
Not
Okay.
this.
Just go into this house, it's closer. All right.
There we go. Yeah, you can sleep in any house.
Ooh, we got the burger recipe.
Woohoo!
Oh, look. We almost
Are
had
we
enough
rich
money.
now?
Not yet.
Damn. We gotta be ready for $1,700 goat's milk.
Yes. Oh,
The
there's,
prices
like-
here are outrageous.
Yeah, everything's very expensive. But in my other
Like,
world,
beer's
I am a
$400.
millionaire.
Yeah.
Just not here. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Granny Evelyn.
Okay. Oh, we have to give Robin her axe.
Oh my gosh, we still haven't done that.
No.
Oh, actually, I just got the wizard
And we have this.
thing.
We have
I
to
just got it.
build a scarecrow.
Oh yeah, you
Oh
just
my
need
gosh. Also, there was all these. I got $100 dollars from a task
perf.
I didn't collect. But now we have $2,800.
Yes. Making that gold.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go into
Oh,
the mines.
also it's berry season.
Oh, we can shake the bushes.
Yes. Oh my my pockets are full. I'm gonna go visit the wizard.
Okay.
I didn't even have the task to visit the wizard for some reason.
I don't have that. To go back.
Okay. Now I get to go through that trippy
Oh, I
Orange
didn't water the
dream.
plants. I should water them. We need that
Can't wait to get
cauliflower to
sprinklers.
grow. I mean, we have a lot of. I feel like we have a lot of resources that we should be able to build a lot of things. I think I have
Yes.
enough to make the scarecrow.
You should have enough because it's coal and
Yeah, I'm gonna grab those.
that other
See what we
thing
can
is.
build. It's the copper and the coal.
Yeah.
And then I can't remember what it was for the scarecrow.
Scarecrow it is wood, coal, and fiber.
Okay.
Oh, we don't even have the sprinkler recipe yet. We ain't there yet. All right, I'm gonna run over to Robin's. We both have to give her the axe.
Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try to build. Okay. I'm gonna build a furnace. Okay, we did the furnace.
Oh yes.
And the scarecrow, I just need more fiber, which I can do that. I'll get
Oh,
my
there's
site.
so much fiber down below.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the fall. No, not fall. What are we in? Spring? Do you have a leek?
Yeah, do we need that?
We need
Did
a
I
leek
sell it?
and a dandelion.
I might have sold it.
Oh no!
I think I did.
There must be more leeks.
Hold on. Maybe I didn't. Let me see. We have gold parsnips. Oh, I sold it.
It's okay. Just bring the dandelion.
Okay. We
I
have
don't have
dandelion.
one.
What else do we need?
I got the other two things, so
Okay.
we're set. No, I don't want to build anything. I'm trying to give you your axe back. There we go. Money. Oh, do I also need to craft a furnace? Okay.
Oh, we both have to?
Or
Okay,
did you
there's
make one?
I put everything back. I made one.
Okay, so I think I have to make one on my
Okay.
on my own.
I put all the resources
I'm gonna walk
back
around and
too.
see. I'm gonna walk around and see if I can find a leek.
I went down to get something specifically and I didn't get it. Okay. So how long do you think, obviously it was a while ago, not too long, but
Yeah.
a while ago. How long do you think it took you to finally start to like understand a language?
Like to understand like coding language
Yeah.
in general. Good question. Forever. I'm still learning.
Mhm.
There's so much to learn. I think for me it took a little bit more time just because I came from somewhere that wasn't like computer science, so a lot of the terms I had to kind of learn as I was doing things in the workplace and stuff.
Mhm.
But that's totally fine. Like people understand like people come from different backgrounds now, so they're not gonna like, look down on you if you don't understand like everything. But I would say like
Right.
it probably took me like it's you know what, I'm gonna say it's different for everyone because some people pick it up right away. Like they understand all the concepts, they know everything. For me it took a couple years before I felt comfortable enough where I could be like making calls and like saying like, oh, we should do this, actually that won't work because of this, like till
Mhm.
I was like really comfortable. It took me like a couple years, but some people just know. Some people just get it right away. It's just so insane and I envy those people, but not everyone's like that. You know,
But it doesn't
not
mean you
everyone's like that,
can't
and that's
be.
okay.
You'll get
Yeah,
like it's not like it's impossible.
yeah,
You can do it.
exactly. Exactly. But I would say a couple years before I like felt comfortable. But I feel like you're always learning. Dumb question. If you don't speak English, can you code in other languages?
There's no such
Absolutely.
thing as dumb questions.
Yeah.
Period.
Absolutely. Yeah. You can yeah, people from all over the world you know, code all the time. Because the the languages themselves have the same concepts in every language. You can name it whatever you want. It may just not be. I don't think I've ever seen code in another language, but like you probably just need to have like certain English spellings for it to work and stuff. But for the most part, like the language translates over everything the same. But yeah, you should be fine without English. You should be totally fine. That's not a stupid question at all. Definitely not a stupid question. Because if you look at like games, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like Nintendo is like in Japan, so like
Yeah.
a lot of the devs are probably like, well, no, Nintendo like it has different studios, but Nintendo has their own games and stuff. So I'm sure a lot of the devs and stuff are in Japan, right?
Yeah.
So not all of them probably know English or whatever. So they're coding in that whatever in Japanese or whatever. But yeah, you can name a function whatever you want, but for the most part, you probably don't need to know English. You'd be fine. I've worked with a lot of international developers as well. They did need to know English just to communicate with us, but I'm sure they learned to code not
Yeah.
in English, right? So, yeah, good question. Coding is a language in itself, if that makes
That's true.
sense.
It's
Coding
almost
is
like
its
a
own
maybe
language.
is it like a universal language, would you say?
Yes, absolutely. Oh, I was gonna go crack open these geodes, but I guess not today.
Oh, it's already 6:30.
I know. The time flies in this game, I swear.
And
All right, I'm
I
gonna
was
go
just
fish.
looking, I went into the community center and I was just looking at what we need, and literally like five of the things we needed was in that cart that we didn't have money for.
Hate that.
Ugh,
We couldn't buy anything. We're so poor.
so poor.
We gotta build up. They will come back anyway.
Sundays.
Yeah, exactly. Sundays and Fridays.
Wait, she's there on Fridays? I thought it was just Sundays.
Yeah, Fridays and Sundays.
I thought he was only on Sundays.
No, it's Fridays and Sundays. If you can, also grab the rare seeds, because those grow into really, like, I think the fruits that grow out of it, it's like $1,700
Oh my gosh.
per fruit or something. Yeah, I forget what they're called, the fruit.
Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep because it looks like there's not much else to do.
Yeah, I'm just fishing, making that dough.
You know what? I can go get more rocks. I'm not out of energy
There
yet.
you go.
But I'm gonna
You got
drop
lots of
this
energy
stuff up.
left, and
I
it's
do.
only 8:30.
I do. What? Did I forget my
Oh,
axe?
what am I gonna throw away? What do I not need? Let's go.
Because we need 100 wood and 100 stone, and I forget what else.
It's 100 wood, 100 stone, and I think 10
99.
red hardwood.
Hardwood. Okay, cool. I got
I forget
some
how many hardwood we need.
from
though.
the mine, and I put it in our inventory.
Yeah. There's also those like big logs. Those have hardwood.
Oh,
Basically,
yeah,
we need to upgrade our axe so
our-
we can get that hardwood forest. I'm gonna sell these fish.
What was the website that you and
Mhm.
Kiki used when you guys made the website when you taught her how to code?
We just used like our regular like web browser to show the code,
Oh,
but yeah. But we were using like I think I had her download Sublime Text. I think we used that to do the coding. Um, that's like basically if you want to just do basic HTML and CSS, and I think you could even do JavaScript. Um, yeah, you can do JavaScript too, because the browser reads that. Like basically, JavaScript is the language that the browser is reading, right? Um,
okay.
so if you want to do stuff like that, you don't even need any sort of website to run it. You can just what's it called? You can just like open up the if you're doing basic stuff like HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript, you can just open it in your web browser by clicking on your HTML page,
And that's how
which
you
is
guys
really
did
great.
that? Kiki says yes, that is correct.
Yeah. But if you do a bit more complicated stuff or you're using a different language that the browser can't read, then you would have to create like some sort of like server or whatever um,
Ah.
to read that. That's when you get a little bit more complicated. But for basic stuff like that, you don't need anything but that.
So people can just go into their browser and basically
Yeah,
code a site?
basically to code a site, to code like a basic page, even a whole site, all you need is HTML pages. Right? So all you're doing is you're telling the browser, okay, I want to look at this HTML page. So
Mm-hmm.
um, usually home pages, you'll do an index.html page, and the browser will read that as like your home page or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Um, so you can code your index.html page. You can call it whatever you want as long as it has .html on the end. It knows that it's a HTML page, and then all you do is you just link. When Kiki was on, I was showing her how to like link all the pages together. So you'll create your like CSS file, and then you can like link it in there so it knows, oh, this is where all my styling is in, and then you can link like a JavaScript file, and that's where all your like JavaScript files would go in. And then the browser will just say, oh, and then you just open it up in a
Mm-hmm.
browser like Chrome or Firefox, and then it will know, oh, okay, this is your HTML page, and this you pointed it to the folder that your thing is in,
Yeah.
basically. So yeah, yeah, just to run something real quick, you can just do that. And then when you want it on the actual internet, that's when you need like like a we call it it's called hosting. Like you want to host it somewhere.
Yeah.
That's when you would get like something like a host
Right.
to
So the
where it
so the
lives.
website that you and Kiki coded, I couldn't go
Yeah.
visit those
Right
websites.
now, you can't go visit just local. You could just look at it on your computer. But if you wanted to visit it, you would have to host it somewhere,
Got it.
basically. Yeah.
So
Hmm.
Kiki's not gonna get
Exactly.
any web visits.
No traffic.
No traffic.
Yeah. Exactly.
That was fun though. Watching you guys like
Yeah.
code and like troubleshooting and everything. It was
Yeah.
really
That's like
cool
the
to
best
see.
part, troubleshooting. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe one day we'll come back. We'll add some interactivity. Put some JavaScript in there.
Yeah, I feel like you guys could do like level 2 now.
Oh yeah. Yes. We'll do like little basic JavaScript. We'll do like functions and things like that.
Do we need a whatever that was that cabbage or was it cauliflower? Do we need that in the community center?
Cauliflower? No,
Whatever that
I
was
don't think
that we're
so.
growing on the farm. And you know what? What is the 16th? We should go get seeds because I'm sure a lot of the stuff that we need to
Mm,
grow that's going in the community center
I'm gonna go get
we need.
parsnips. Wait, he won't be open yet.
No.
Bye. I'll go cut down these trees until he's ready.
And
And
I
also
watered
try
everything.
turnips.
And get rid of these things. I
Yeah,
need
I
to
have to update
organize this too.
yes. 'Cause now I have a dog, and I was using my brother's dog before.
Aww.
Oh, yes, a turnip.
Yes.
I'm gonna toss these.
Ooh, there's
this,
a parsnip up here too.
sap.
And lots of berries. Like lots.
Yes. Yeah, the berries are out. Right. All right. I'm gonna drop off the turnip.
Do we explode
And
this,
then-
or this is just the open?
No,
I
it
don't
just
remember.
opens up one day, and
That's
I
what I
don't
thought.
know why. I don't remember the event where that opens.
Yeah, me either. There's so many things that I've done in my other Stardew Valley
In your
that I
game.
like don't even remember how I did
I know it's a blur.
so long ago.
Next time we get a cave carrot, we gotta bring it.
Oh, that was in that cart too.
Damn. Well, it's okay. We can. That one's pretty easy to find in the mines, though. A cave, red, purple mushroom, cactus.
There was a mushroom
coconut,
in
maple
there.
syrup.
I can't remember what else there was. They literally had everything.
And I just got spring seeds, so I think we have enough time to plant them.
Okay.
Because spring seeds are just the foraging items. Oh, now all the other things are being revealed. Or just the fish tank and the pantry.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what we needed in the pantry. No, like, cheese, the goat's milk had to go. And the 5 parsnips. Oh shoot, we need spring crops. Are we
you
growing
gonna-
green beans?
Yes. But not, I think
Okay.
only like 5.
So we need a
But
potato, a cauliflower.
yeah, I'm gonna sell. Do we need these berries? If
No.
not, I'm just
Well, I
gonna
mean,
sell
it's just
them
good food.
Okay.
Yeah, do it.
and then get seeds.
Oh, I
this is
was
my
like,
first time going
it
to the
took me
store.
into your. Yeah, it took me into your scene.
Oh, it did?
Yeah. I'm in it with you. I'm not there, but.
Who's that? I don't remember this. Oh,
Oh,
yes.
no.
Okay, I remember now.
It's
Okay, so I haven't
Morris.
done this yet. This is my first time going to the store.
Have we not bought anything? How do we have green beans?
I guess not. We're definitely not supporting his store. We're
No.
doing this the right way. We're not throwing money
Def-
at the problem.
I
We're
think I bought
the
seeds from them
solution.
one time in one of my games. Oh shoot, I didn't click through. I'm like, why is he not talking anymore? Not me not clicking.
Okay. So, if you like, have you ever wanted to have like a job in gaming, like coding games or anything? Have you ever wanted to learn how to do that?
I mean, I think at one point I did, but I think the thing that's deterring me from it is me having the same experience that I had when I was trying to be a photographer, and then I tried to go into when I tried to go into photography, which was like, you know, the thing I loved, which was photography. I stopped liking because it started becoming a job or whatever. So I just have this fear of like not liking gaming anymore if I
Right.
became a game dev. But I feel like I could do it. Like I could definitely learn a new language and, you know, do it. I have that confidence now that I could do it. Now that I've become a web developer, which I thought I would never become.
Yeah.
Now I have no I have no question that I could definitely do it. But yeah, the fear of hating games. I don't think I could, but you
But
never know.
maybe because like if you are and you're making a game that like comes out and you're just like there's probably like it won't feel like a job because it's like I'm making this game and it's
I
gonna
did a
come out and then I'm
thing.
gonna play it. Yeah.
Yeah, no, totally. I'm not opposed to it. I've always wanted to create a game. There's just so much, like, that's why I give kudos to the person who made Stardew Valley, because there is so much logic in games. Like, it's ridiculous. And they keep adding content to it like crazy.
Because you play the PC version, right?
Yeah,
Mostly?
I play the PC version, but I've also played the Switch version.
Okay. That's like where all my stuff is in the Switch version.
Yeah, I always tell people, so when I first got into Stardew Valley, I was playing it on Switch, and it was around the time I got the flu.
Aww.
Like, so I had the flu for a week, and I was just like really it was the best time because I was really into Stardew. So I would have weird flu dreams about like not planting enough cranberries.
Oh no.
I was like, not this. I'm gonna extend this fence because I have more seeds.
Okay, good. And I like to put them like together, but I didn't.
I hate that I can't just like take this. I have to cut it down.
Yeah.
It's okay. We got lots of wood. But yeah, so I was having weird flu dreams about cranberries. But I loved it. I loved it on Switch because I love the handheld part of it. You know, you can play it in bed.
Yes.
That's convenient.
Oh, the first time I ever played it, I spent way too much time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can really go hours playing this game.
Especially like once you get the hang of it and you like have figured out all the rules and everything. It's like
exactly.
Okay.
It's a good time. I need 12 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 more rows. I'll do it. You keep watering.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah, I love playing Stardew. So I have like a stream on not every like most Saturdays, but like once in a while I do Stardew Saturdays. So I'll play Stardew on Saturdays, and you know, I just like I used to do it like early, like I used to do it at noon, but now it depends on like, oh, you have more parsnips too.
I have ours looks different though.
Oh. Do you need more spaces?
I only have 2 left, so I'm just gonna add it over here.
I'll build more fence.
Oh, actually, we need more because I have cauliflower to.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna get.
Wait, the cauliflower I don't think has enough time to grow anyway.
Oh, it doesn't? I have fertilizer though.
You have the speed grow?
I don't know how much we have. It should be in one of the boxes.
We can always save the cauliflower for next spring. It's no biggie.
All right, I guess we should build.
Are we growing potatoes?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
And I got more green beans.
Woohoo!
I guess I should plant those, and I should have planted them in the back, but that's okay. I'll plant them over here because you can get them from the sides. Okay.
Oh yeah, you should be fine to get them from the side. I love building fences.
Oh, we need scarecrows, or else they're gonna eat. I mean, they're gonna eat our plants. Yeah. Okay, I'll make that.
Do you have enough?
I think so. I got a lot of wood. Oh, we needed I can't remember what it was. Fiber, I think, and I got a bunch of it. Coal. What else?
I'm gonna water the rest of it.
Fiber, wood, and coal. Okay, yeah, we definitely have enough. The wood is in here. Oh, where's all the... Do you have all the wood?
Oh, yeah. I'll hand it to you. That's the thing, apparently.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Because I almost handed you seeds. Did I only give you 1?
I don't know.
Oh, it only gives you 1 at a time.
Oh, yeah, that's not
okay, I'm going to put it back.
Okay, great.
There you go.
Okay.
What? Let me just give you, the 30 times.
Okay, we can build a scarecrow now. I'm going to build us.
You're set.
We probably
you're
need
set.
like 3 scarecrows, I think, because that other one's pretty big. Okay.
2 should be fine. You could put 1 in each. They cover a lot of ground.
They do.
Scarecrows.
I made 3.
This cat is
Oops.
trapped me.
I didn't mean to put that
Hello.
there.
That's fine. It can stay there.
Okay. That'll have
It
to do
looks
for
good.
now.
Yeah.
And honestly, I'm not even sure we watered everything.
I watered it.
Okay, cool.
But was there more seeds where the scarecrow is? It was empty though, right?
It was that row was empty.
Okay, perfect. Then I got it all. We're set. To bed. Does the cat go in your room too? So we just have like,
Oh, you
twin
get it too?
cats.
I guess so.
Yeah. Wild.
We leveled up.
I think we individually level up. So you leveled up.
Oh, you didn't
I
level.
didn't.
Oh.
Cries.
It said level 2, but I didn't get any little I didn't get any money or anything.
Rude.
Yeah. Also, I haven't been watching Queen of Sauce, so we haven't been
What?
getting any resources.
I have a
any
rerun.
recipes. Yeah, mine too.
Oh, Dad sent us money.
We have green beans or string beans.
Woohoo!
Okay, great.
We get I like that we get the 500 twice.
Yeah, that's nice.
This
Okay,
works out for us.
What are these?
Are we growing rice? Yes.
There was just 2 that I had. So.
See, that's
I'd
new
plant
because
it.
I don't think originally in the original version they had that.
I don't think so either.
Maybe in the 1.5 update. Also, the 1.5 update has this new island.
Oh, it does?
Have you been to it yet?
No. Honestly,
Yeah, it's like
Chanel,
Hmm?
I only play on this one when
Yeah.
it's time for us to play.
Oh, fair
So-
enough. Maybe we'll get to the island eventually.
Yeah. Oh, I have to move this scarecrow because I can't
Move it, Scarecrow.
get.
Oh, there's one there. I missed that one.
It was hiding behind
Wait,
the
no, I
scarecrow.
didn't. I got it.
Okay. You know
The
what?
cat's
That's
just
probably not
asleep.
the best place because it's gonna hide one of those. I should put it there. There we go. That's a good spot.
Here we go.
Oh. Okay. What else do we have to do?
Okay, perfect.
Oh, we need to
How much money
put.
do we need for backpacks? That's the question.
Well, the store's closed today.
Right.
It's Wednesday. But I know
So
we
it
need
might be
to
a-
put something in the furnace.
Oh, yeah, we can make a bar.
Yeah, I think we need to make a gold bar.
Why did we get
copper
money?
bar? We just need to make 1 copper bar, which I think
Perfect.
just
Yeah,
uses
we got that.
coal
We
and
got that
copper.
for sure.
Yeah. All right, that should be
Woohoo.
done once it's ready. Also, I want to organize this.
Yeah, my chests in my game, disaster.
Okay.
But we
let's
should have the
put-
community center. So if you open up your bag or whatever, your menu, you'll see there's
Oh,
the
what's in
community
there, yeah.
center. Yeah. I did not learn that until my 3rd time playing the game.
Okay.
So we need parsnip, green bean, cauliflower, and potato.
We have potato.
I
We
think
have.
we're just missing.
I think we have everything. Wait, did I
We
sell
have
that
everything, but
cauliflower?
we don't want to give away the gold parsnips.
Oh no, we have the Okay, we have the cauliflower. There should be a
Yeah, and the green
potato
bean
in the
and
other
potato are
one.
here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I got them.
Great. We could put that
Yeah,
in there.
and parsnips grow fast, so we'll put it in later.
I'm gonna go get that.
We'll drop it later. Or berries.
Oh, I was like, where am I going? I almost forgot.
Where's the
Okay.
green bean again? It's up in the pantry. And it's
Oh.
the spring.
I can't go up there.
Okay, go ahead. Fish. We should also check what fish we need. Yeah, I was sure I never saw a halibut. Yeah, we're good.
Oh, there was a parsnip, I thought.
I only saw gold parsnips, which we want to save for the quality.
Oh, we sold them all. You're right, you're right, you're right,
bundle.
you're right.
Yes. I have to see what fish we can catch. Can we catch breams? Not me going to the Stardew Wiki. Can we catch breams in the fall, in the spring? Bream?
I want to say on my game, I probably bought a majority of the things from that little cart.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can catch bream at nighttime. 6
Okay.
p.m. So I'll go catch it later. Oh shoot, I gave away a sunfish and we need a sunfish.
Oh no!
Oops. But those are easy to catch, that's fine.
Okay, well I bought that one from the cart.
I feel like a lot of people caught their fish from carts. Oh, it's in the river. Okay, so I'm just gonna go chill at the river because it's right next to us.
Okay.
And then I think bream is also in the river, so I'll just stay there till 6 o'clock.
I guess I could go. I'm gonna go in the mines.
Perf. That works.
Oh, I don't need a lot of this stuff. Okay. Don't need that. I'm just gonna get rid of everything and put it back. This and a pickaxe. That's it. How?
Y'all are almost at 2,000 followers. How crazy.
What are we at?
1.7.
Well, anybody who followed us today, thank you so much. And if you've subscribed today, thank you so much. We honestly really do appreciate you because obviously if more people follow, the more people subscribe, the more we can keep doing all these shows and do these streams, which I love to do.
Exactly.
And we all love to do. It's just really cool. We're able to
They're
just
really
talk
fun
to
to
so many
watch.
people. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
We really try. What are we doing next week? Let's see. Kiki is talking to a soil scientist.
Ooh.
Silent
Kiki-
math on.
Oh, Monday. So there's this woman, her name is Arlene Resendez, I think you pronounce her last name. She teaches silent math. So she shows you, if you hate math and you're like, I don't like math, this is not for me, this is a stream for you because she makes math likable and accessible and like,
Heck yeah.
she calls it like, she says people have math anxiety, which I totally do. And
Yes.
if you have math anxiety, watch this stream. She's going to teach you how to literally, it's basically like hacking math. So Monday, that's the stream on Monday. Then Wednesday,
Woohoo.
we have our STEM Besties stream.
Yay.
That's going to be so fun. We have Nabil, who is a correspondent on our show, Mission Unstoppable. And you
Ooh.
also might have seen him. He was on a show called Good Trouble, I think. Is that what it's called? Good Trouble? Good Trouble on Freeform. And then also he's a correspondent on our TV show. And me and Kiki and Lexi, who is an APOC, which is like a production assistant. I forget what the rest of it is, but on our TV show will be very fun. And then Thursday is your stream with
Dr. Pressler.
Dr. Pressler, who's the soil scientist. And what are you guys doing?
She's going to be drawing a bunch of like animals and bugs that live in soil.
Oh, she's going to be drawing animals and bugs that live in soil, which
Oh.
there are so many small bugs that live in the soil. So you should totally watch that stream if you want to learn more. And then at some point, I think in a couple weeks, Kiki and I are going to do like molecular food science, where we literally are going to turn.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so we'll turn food into weird forms. So, like jelly.
That's like a huge thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'll be really fun. And
That's
I
such
think-
exciting stuff.
Kiki, is there anything else that I'm forgetting?
Well, that's next week. You got it.
Okay. Also, I forgot to add my. I don't have the ring.
Oh no. The light ring?
So I can see.
It's so dark in here.
Yes, I can't see anything. I don't think I have it yet.
Oh, we may not have gotten it yet. We're not that deep in the mines.
So I can't. Wait, but then. But I can't even. I've already made it to that area and I can't see anything.
Ooh.
Hmm.
I didn't find a bream. Bad day. Bad fishing day. Actually, no, I found 2 that we need, so that's fine.
Okay.
I'll find the bream tomorrow.
What time is it over there? I want to be.
It's 9:13.
Okay. I know it's late. I want to be mindful of your time.
Yeah, no, it's no problem at all.
So maybe we could do.
I've actually
we'll
been
do.
streaming at 9 p.m. lately, so.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, because, after I got a dog, I had to change some of my time around to,
Mhm.
wait till he's, like, sleepy and stuff, and that's usually at 9
When you have
o'clock.
some time.
Yeah, exactly.
I
So,
think we could do one more day. Let's make it
yeah,
count.
I think that sounds great. Mm-hmm.
I don't know what we'll
Deal.
do. We'll do something.
Okay.
What should we do? What's something that we need to do?
What do we have left to do? Wow, I found 3 of the fish we need. Hello. Well, I still need to find the bream. We don't need to plant anything. Maybe we'll just chill in the mines. Today's Wednesday. Oh, we might have enough for backpacks.
And that's a good thing. We could finally get our backpacks. Okay. We'll get to do
Woohoo.
one big activity on our last
Perf.
day.
I was gonna say Thursdays in this game. There's nothing exciting.
Oh, we almost made it to
So
Friday.
that- Yeah, and I have an artifact to give Gunther.
There was a
I found
chicken
it
in
while
there. Did you
fishing.
give that to him?
The which one?
The
No,
chicken.
I don't
Oh,
think I
thought
gave that
put
to
it
him.
in there. Okay. Maybe I did. I don't know. It might still be in
Here
our.
we go. In my game, I got. Did you have blue chickens in your game?
No, But again,
I have
that
blue
might just be like a
chickens.
PC thing, right? Not
No, it's
oh, it's on
you
everything.
have to be yeah, you have to become friend. Do you have a void chicken?
I have no idea.
The
Have I
black
shown
and
you?
the black chicken?
Have I shown you my other like
Yeah,
my?
we saw your farm last time.
We did, right?
Yeah, I just couldn't remember what animals you had.
I have all of them, I think. But I don't have any like chickens that are different colors.
Yeah, there's just the brown and the white chickens. Yeah, so okay, so the secret is to get the blue chickens, you have to be really good friends with Shane.
Okay.
And then he goes, "Hey, I have these new chickens," and then you get access to blue chickens. And then the void chicken is like a random event that happens in the game where the witch comes and visits your farm.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's like very low. So another way to get a void chicken is to visit Krobus in the sewer, and sometimes he has void eggs. And then you just
Oh,
incubate
is that what that is?
the void
Oh.
egg.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you get this evil looking chicken.
Okay, I do have that available. I'll have to do that.
There you go.
And go
Yeah,
in there and
I
try
think
to
he
find
always
it.
has void eggs.
Okay.
Fun chicken facts.
Are you doing anything fun this weekend?
Well, Saturday I'm having a little safe BBQ.
For your B day?
And then, yeah, for my B day.
Aw,
And then Sunday, I'm doing a birthday Among Us stream with a bunch of other
fun.
streamers. Yeah, so that should be a good time. And we're going to be raising money for Sick Kids Hospital in Toronto. So, yeah, it's going to be a good time. And for every $5 that a person donates, you get entered into a draw, and I'm going to give away like an Among Us merch. I don't know what I'm going to give away yet. Probably a mug, because all the plushies are sold out and they only have red and black left.
Oh,
so-
really?
Yeah, because I gave away a plushie one time, but the color variety isn't there, so I'll probably just give away a cute mug or something.
That's a really nice stream.
But yeah, so that's my weekend. It's gonna be fun.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah, I'm excited. Hold up. Wait, do we have enough? No, we don't have enough. Okay,
How
I'm
much
gonna go
is it?
fishing. I think it's $2,000.
Oh, I have 37. Can I give you money?
Yeah. No, we have joint money.
Oh, so we need 4,000.
So I'm gonna see. Yeah, I'm gonna double
Okay.
check. I think it's 2,000 or 2,500.
Okay, we have all this stuff that we could sell though.
Yeah.
We
Yeah, we
gave
can
them
sell all
green
those
beans
veggies.
and we gave them all this, right? To the community
Yeah.
center?
Are those oh wait, that's a regular parsnip that you have, right?
Yeah. Oh, we need that. Okay, I'll do that.
It's
But
not
then
the
I
gold
can
parsnip, right?
I can sell all these. No, it's a regular one.
Yeah. Because if you don't have a gold parsnip, we can give that to the community center. Okay, it's 2,000.
Okay.
Okay, so sell the. I'm gonna go.
And we have an earth crystal too that we can sell.
Yeah. I'm gonna go buy. I'm gonna
Well,
go
don't
sell.
wanna put that
I
in the
mean, go
trash. Oh,
fishing.
'cause I ran out of room. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go fishing because I can sell those to Willie really fast too.
All right. I'm gonna go sell this stuff in the store. Oh, yes.
And then we can get backpacks. Oh, and I got mussels, and I thought it was a cockle, but it's not. I got mussels and clams, which I think
there's
the
some of
community
that
center
in our
needs.
storage too.
Oh, snap!
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna deliver this stuff first. Just to be extra safe. I don't want to give away something we need.
Yeah, we definitely need the parsnip.
Okay.
I guess I missed the chest that had like the regular parsnip in it.
It might be new. Like I might have just
Yeah.
picked it.
Oh.
Oh no, it's up there. I'm in the wrong area.
I know, I think you're in the right area. Oh wait, no. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yay!
Yay! So I think we get more seeds.
Amazing.
I
Okay.
can't remember.
So, yeah, we gotta start building things. For sure.
What's our gift?
Speed grow. We got fertilizer.
Woohoo!
Oh, man, I don't have room to put it in here.
Just toss
The,
the berries? Can
that's
we
a
come
lot,
back
though.
and
That's
get it?
4.
I have
Should've just-
6.
I mean, I could throw away the
You could also
parts.
throw away foraging items.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw away the... I don't want to throw away something that's worth a lot of money, but I'll throw this away. It's fine.
Yeah, you're
We don't need it, do we?
No,
The wild
we
horse
finished
radish?
that one.
Watch, it's like still there. Oh. 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 We opened another area.
Oh, yay! I wonder where we open.
It's the furnace area.
Oh, the furnace. That one's just money.
Yeah. That's gonna take a minute, honestly.
Yeah, we don't got that.
No.
We're just trying to get backpacks out here.
Yes. Okay. So I can get rid of these. I can sell them.
Yay!
Okay, we have enough.
We did it. Let's go get backpacks. And I
Alright.
have 2 things for the community center.
Great. All right, I got a backpack.
Woohoo!
Now we can carry more things.
Yeah, we're moving on up. I would also like a backpack. Down to $187. Well, we'll make that
We have
money,
so
that
much money.
cauliflower money, though.
That's true. We do have a lot growing.
Mm-hmm.
I have fertilizer. Is there
Can
anything we
speed
want to
roast and
grow
stuff.
that...
We have 10 days. Potatoes are the best thing you can do in well, the thing that makes you the most money is cauliflower, but potatoes are the best thing you can grow because they
Are they fast?
what's it called? They grow so quickly.
All right. I'm going to get some potatoes with the money we have. Because we'll make money
There you
from
go.
it. All right, that's all we could get.
Perfect. That's all we should use the money for anyway. We got those extra spaces, so it works out.
Honestly, I feel like
have we
that
met
was a
Anna
pretty
yet?
productive day.
Yes, we killed it.
Do we need more room though? Oh no, I only
you
got
meet
I
everyone
was only
yet?
able to get 3 potatoes. I don't think so. I think
Oh,
there
no,
might
we've
be a
only met
couple
15
people
people.
missing.
We've met 16.
Who's left?
I don't know. Let's see. Sam, Shane, George. Is that that's not Abigail? I forgot what her name is. There's a bunch of people.
Okay.
There's a bunch of people.
What do I want? How do I want to organize this? Oh, we have so many leeks and like food and stuff.
Yeah, let's sell those.
Okay, I'm just gonna put as much
Remember
stuff
when we're
as I
like,
can
oh no,
in
we sold the leek. What will we do? And then now we
We have so
have
many.
so many leeks.
Okay. Let's put... Oh, there's the chicken.
Oh, there's a sandfish.
It was in one of
We
the...
still need to
things.
put that in the community center, right?
Yeah.
Sandfish.
And
Oh.
the...
There's a crab too. That's
Yeah.
that's a community center item.
Okay. I'll get the crab. I'll get the sandfish and this. Is there anything? Those are the only 2 items we need to send over there, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
And Gunther's done for the day, I think, right?
I I think
Or is he
so.
open all the
It's
time?
7. No, I think he's also. I think he's a working guy.
Working
He's
guy.
a 9 to 5er.
The 9 to 5 schedule. They're 9 to 4s here. Which is fine. Live your life.
Work-life balance, I guess.
Work-life balance.
It just doesn't work for our schedules. That's all.
Right? I'm all over the place. They need to work with me.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's. Actually, I think that you know what? I think the library might be open all the time. No, it's not. Just kidding. I remembered now. Okay.
I think it's open later than everything else, but
Is it?
yeah, but it's not all the time. I'm gonna go
Oh, the
check.
fish
'cause
goes
I'm
over here.
done my stuff. Yes, so there'll be the bucket one.
Okay, there's the crab.
Yeah. I
Oh,
closed
we
it at
have
6.
this. We have one of these.
Oh, we have a
Yeah,
cockle,
it's in,
I think,
it's
right?
in the yeah, it's in our inventory.
Oh, perf.
And I want to say we have an oyster. Maybe.
I'll go check right now. I'm on my way. I'm going as fast as I can.
All right. The sandfish is in there.
I got 3 of the river fish just from fishing. The one that's always the hardest is the sturgeon, which I
It
think
is. But you can buy
it's
that
really
from
hard
the
to catch,
cart.
but also it's only certain times. It only when it rains.
I've
Okay, let's
definitely been
see.
able to get that in from the cart before.
Yes. Okay, I see a cockle. I don't see an oyster.
Okay.
Oyster. We do have mussels though, but I'm gonna sell them.
Maybe
'cause
that's what I confused
Yeah,
it
they
with.
look very similar.
Great.
I'll sell these.
I mean, honestly, I think that was a successful last day.
We nailed it.
Well, we have to actually sleep so that it saves it. So,
Oh yeah. You know what? I'll just sleep and then we will drop that off next time. Because by the time I walk there and I come back,
oh yeah,
I
you're
may
gonna,
pass out. At
and then
this
we'll
rate.
lose everything. Could you imagine?
Yeah. Then it was a waste.
Well, we are pretty much done. Kiki has put a link to your channel in the chat again.
Thank you.
Everyone.
Appreciate that, Kiki.
Go follow Chanel. Okay. I think I have to wait for you.
Oh, done. I was like, not me having to press OK.
Okay, progress has saved.
We did it.
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna
Yay.
swap the screen for this one. There we go.
Perfect.
Well, I'm gonna close this out. That was so fun.
Yes.
I had a
always
blast.
enjoy playing Stardew. Yes.
Obviously, if
Me
I could,
too.
I would stream longer, but it's
You know,
unfortunately the
lives.
end of the workday for us over here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you're a couple hours past now. Mhm.
Thank you so much for doing this again. It was so fun.
Thank you for having me.
Please,
It was so fun.
please come back on our STEM Bestie show so you can share some
Yes!
science news.
I'd love to.
And interesting facts. That will be so fun.
Mhm.
And anytime you want to come back to do another stream with Kiki and teach her to level 2 of
Yes.
coding, that would be so fun.
I would love to. Yes, we got to do part 2.
Yes.
I want to get Kiki into some JavaScript. We're gonna do
Ooh,
some
Kiki,
JavaScript
you ready for
next time.
JavaScript?
You'll be fine. I promise.
What'd you say?
I feel really put on the spot.
She said she feels put on the spot.
You'll be fine. I promise.
To succeed at a level 2 is what I mean.
Oh,
To do
she
well.
feels a lot of pressure to succeed at a level 2.
Oh,
I think she can do it.
The way.
I think she
We'll
can
go
do it.
through it like last time where we had to debug all the things. We'll make
Mhm.
sure everything works for you. It will be fine.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be great. She's gonna kill it. She always does.
Exactly.
Again, thank you so much for being here. It was so fun.
No problem.
Like we mentioned,
Yes.
her links in the chat. Go follow. When are you streaming next? This weekend? Sunday?
Yeah, so I'll be streaming it on Sunday at 7. I'm going to be playing some Birthday Among Us, raising some money for charity. So if you want to pop in, my Among Us games are always very chaotic, but fun. So if you want to pop in for that, feel free to. There'll be lots of cool streamers there with me. So yeah, I'll be back Sunday.
That sounds so fun. Go do that.
Yes.
Well, I guess that's it for us. I have a couple things to read and say, but I will not make you sit through that. So thank you so much for
No
being
problem.
here. We had so much fun, and I'll see
Yes, I
you
enjoyed it.
next time. That was amazing.
Okay, bye, friends.
Bye.
See ya.
So fun. I love Stardew Valley. It is. You literally just lose time playing it because there's always so much to do and you just need to do it. Like I mentioned before, Lenovo is sponsoring our streams this week, which is very cool. They have an amazing community called Legion Gaming Community. If you love games, if you're into gaming, it's a great community for you to find out, any info you want on streaming or products or, jobs in the gaming industry. Basically, so if you are obsessed with games and gaming, listen to this. The Legion Gaming Community is your ultimate gaming hub, full of original content, expert advice, and tantalizing rewards. Want to make a career in gaming? They'll let you know what it takes. Want to dominate the competition? They'll tell you how. Want early access to the latest indie games? They have the Game Keys. Want to upgrade old gaming setup? They'll give you the chance. All of that and much more in one place that's totally free, totally fun, and totally whatever you want to make it. Equip yourself for domination by joining the Legion Gaming Community today at gaming.lenovo.com. You can see the link down here, and it's also in the chat. And that's it for today. Thank you everybody who is here still and everybody who watched. Appreciate you all so much.
Hey, it's Miranda Cosgrove, your favorite host of Mission Unstoppable. I'm the only host. And if you want to watch awesome STEM videos and exclusive Mission Unstoppable clips, just make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.